Yo, 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 yo. It is wacky Thursday. So it's trendy Thursday, aka please market trend, please go up, please, bears, just go away. How's everybody doing? What up? We got the avatar in the building, the master of all four elements.
What are you talking about? I don't even know what that means because I don't watch that crap. What's up, man?
Well, you should, because it's a good show, but it's a cartoon, so it's for kids. Don't worry about it. We got the master of all four elements in the building: the master of the short, the master of the long, the master of the consolidation, and the master of
What are you doing? Would you
I
just
don't know.
start the show? What the fuck? What is this? Where did I walk into? What is wrong with you?
We're having some fun today.
I'm not
hopefully
the master of any of those things. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't watch the show, that's why. Anyway,
No.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Trader Shop. My name is Jay Seals. We got T Hobbs avatar in here because T Hobbs doesn't want to grace us with his presence because he's having a bacchiotomy right now. So
I had some needles in my bag yesterday,
aka a bacchiotomy. So this market is been a fickle thing. We want to come down, we want to come up, and we don't know where we want to go. This has been very, very annoying as far as especially NQ. NQ has been something else. We got the news this morning. The news was kind of bearish, but the market just decided, hey, we're cool. We want to buy all this up. Started buying it up. Then it started coming down. It's just all over the place right now. So I was telling Hobbs in the Discord.
I was gonna say I wanted to trade oil, but oil looks like crap too.
Even oil doesn't know what it wants right now.
Oil looks like crap too. I'm like, yo, what are we doing?
I think the name of the game today is just be patient. Be patient. Wait for your setups and just don't rush into anything. That's the name of my game today. With the news, I didn't really come up with a pre-market plan. I don't think Hobbs did either, as far as like writing one down officially. But I still know what I want to do on the day. So I'll take y'all through ES real fast, then Hobbs can take you through NQ. But yesterday on ES, what was really interesting, let me go to 30-minute. What was really interesting is that we really didn't get the same selling that we got on NQ. When we were watching NQ, we sold off pretty aggressively in the morning, and ES just kind of held steady. Pretty much consolidated throughout the day. We got a push into the supply zone and finally got a pretty nice sell-off at about 1:30. All the way down into this 15-minute demand zone and got a nice bounce off 15-minute demand. If you were not playing in a prop firm, or if you're playing in a prop firm where you could actually swing your trade, this would have been a nice long into the overnight session, because we ended up actually breaking Tuesday's high and overnight Wednesday high, as well as the high of the day of Wednesday. And now, after the news, we're just kind of pulling back and retracing. We're also really close to all-time highs. All-time highs is 52, 57, 25. So on the day, I'm still it's a little bit tough because NQ is in a bearish structure and ES is in a bullish structure. So if you're playing ES, we should look to be bulls and long pullbacks. But we're also in a pretty important supply zone because it's all-time highs. So I would like to see us come back up to this area, and I would look to see if there are sellers coming into the market. And if we see sellers, then I would want to look to short this market back down to the 15-minute demand zone. But if we continue to sell off, then I just want to look for longs in this 15-minute demand zone, and that we just are in a range, and this is a pretty big range on ES, right? And that'll kind of line up with what NQ is doing. So right now, I don't like it when ES and NQ look completely different. Like I don't like this. I'm very uncomfortable trading ES and NQ when they're not, in the same structure. So that's why I'm kind of slow playing today. But go ahead, Hobbs. Let us know about NQ.
All right. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Trader Shop with me, T Hobbs and Jay Seals. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on. Oh my God, I'm missing my short. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. That being said, where are we? Hang on, I haven't even shared my screen. I am so far behind today, guys. I'm so sorry. It's been a morning for me. I'm like, yo. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, cool. There we go. Okay, so NQ between 30-minute and 4-hour demand, 30-minute supply and 4-hour demand. However, it goes deeper than that, right? If we just zoom out to the daily, right? The only thing we're doing, right? If you just look at the macro, the only thing we're doing is putting in one big wedge or triangle, right? I think that it's going to be a breakout to the downside just because we're setting lower lows or lower highs on the high side and we're refusing to go any higher, right? The only thing that gives me pause for concern is the fact that we haven't broken through any significant lows. However, I think that break is coming. I don't know if it's today. I don't know if it's Friday because of OPEX. I don't know. But either way it goes, we have to remain bullish with the trend until that trend is broken. I'm just looking at the macro, and the macro is starting to tell quite a different picture than what I'm used to seeing, right? I'm used to seeing us starting to trend up, pushing super bullish to the upside and then coming all the way back down. I've been bearish on this thing all morning. I think this market wants to come down significantly. And that's just my thesis on the day. I do, however, think that there's going to be more consolidation on the macro. So while we're in the range, we're going to be looking to short the highs and long the lows. I wanted to get short this morning, but again, I didn't get in here soon enough and get prepared to trade. So if I didn't take the short, then I'll be looking for the longs either right here back at this daily 50% at 339, 18,339, or the 4-hour down here at 293. But if this selling is true, and you can see that it looks very true, right? This is a bear flag on the 4-hour. So if this was a break of structure, right? And this was a break of structure, and this was a lower high, then what do you think the next thing for the market to do is? It's been tough getting these bulls underwater, but ultimately structure is going to take control. And there seems to be more sellers than buyers. And if that's the case, the next thing that I'm expecting price to do, right, is to come down and break this low at 281 and then try to take out one of these structural lows at 138.50. Do we do that early this morning? I don't know, right? All I know is that it's very uncomfortable to short right now for me because I'm just, I'm just seeing a lot of buying hitting this tape at the lows, right? So if you don't get in at the high, I'm kind of with Justin, like just being really patient on the day and either wait to try to get in somewhere near the high or get in somewhere near the low. If the market starts trending like it is right now, I think it's suicide to your account to try to start a position short at the low, right? Even though it could work if you're a momentum trader, like it is what it is, but try to start a position today at the lows or at the highs, it's going to be account suicide. So again, patience is going to be what I'm going to practice this morning, just for the simple fact that, again, I do not like, I really hate, I'm like with Justin, like I really hate when the indicators that I look for, like the overall stock market is in a frenzy, right? When I say in a frenzy, nothing's in the same direction, right? Well, at least it wasn't earlier this morning, but now all of them are starting to sell off, which is good for me. That makes me feel a lot better, right? But now, earlier this morning, they were all opposite, right? The NASDAQ and ES were switched. One was selling, one was buying. The VIX was coming down, then pushing up, just trying to kind of trading sideways. And then like Microsoft was pumping while Nvidia was dumping and Apple was ripping while Amazon, and it was just a hot mess. So I'm going to wait for things to come kind of get more level, so to speak. And right now, again, I'm more bearish on the day. When I say bearish, I'm more bearish overall, but I do see the opportunity to long the market when we come back down to some of these lows. So the 4-hour at 293 and then this 30-minute right here at roughly about 330 is where I'm going to be looking to potentially long this market. But I'm expecting the lows to break. So I'm going to be very cautious when I go to try to long the market. So hope that helps you guys out a little bit. Dang, ain't no good mornings this morning, or the comments messed up?
Nope.
Well, good morning to everybody in the shop. I know we were a little late, so we were kind of teaching, and Justin was kind of teaching in the Discord. and I myself just kind of lost track of time. Time has been really, really messy for me these last couple of days, or since the daylight savings time. So, yeah, but that's kind of my
this
trading plan
daylight
on the day.
savings time has messed everything up. I'm tired way earlier. Like last night, we were doing the market review, and I told him, I was like, look, I'm really tired. I do not feel like being on camera, being recorded. I was like, I'm not recording this. We're just gonna vibe out and like have a good time because I am too tired.
You don't have to. I'm never on camera when I do the market review.
No. I know. Like I didn't even want like. I was so tired. I didn't want to put my voice on camera. I was like, yo, I'm tired. I'm gonna mess up so many times. Like, I was just like, I don't know what it's been, but this daylight savings has just been screwing me up completely. But we had a ladies' night. All the ladies showed up. Valdez was in there for a little bit. We had a really nice review of the market. But yeah, I don't know what it's been. This time change has just really been it's been messing with my head or something. I don't know. I've just not been a fan of this time change. America just needs to stop. We just need to stop doing this time.
Okay, that's never gonna happen. But the time is definitely been screwing up my sleep pattern a lot. Like normally I get up, and this thing looks like it wants to come down. Normally I get up at around, I don't know, 4:30, 5 o'clock. But now 4:30, 5 o'clock is 5:30, so I'm not waking up until about 5:30. So it's just taking a while for my body to acclimate to the new change. I did get up at about 5 today, so maybe I'm getting better and better. Yeah, I knew this thing wanted to come. I should have held my short. Yeah, but yeah. So every day I'm getting better, getting acclimated to it. I did do some dry needle therapy yesterday for my back, so I'm getting better every single day. What's up, Bravo? Lower day, lower week. What's up, John? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, I did do a lot of. I've been doing a lot of stretching. I've been doing a lot of physical therapy. I got some dry needle therapy yesterday, so that was definitely a plus. So, yeah, just every day trying to get better. Eventually, I'll get back on camera, but it's hard for me to get on camera because I'm not sitting at my camera. I'm going back and forth from sitting to standing. So I'll sit for like 20 minutes, and I'll stand for like an hour, right? So just trying to get back completely healthy before I spend the whole sitting in the chair. Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Did the dry needling make you tired?
No, I just think you just have a problem. Like, what's that word? Where is it? Narcolepsy? I think that's what your issue is. Anything makes you sleepy. Anything makes you tired. Daylight savings time, you get tired. Dry needling, you ready to pass out. You also stay up way too late. You stay up like a freaking teenager.
I mean, I've been going to sleep around midnight, but last night I didn't fall asleep last night. It was like 1. It was like 1 o'clock.
I've been going to sleep earlier. What time you go to bed last night? Like 1. Oh, okay. What time you go to sleep the night before? Like 1.
No, it was midnight is early for me.
That's my point. That's literally my point. My point is that you don't get good rest. Like you don't get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night, right? Like so.
I average around 5. I'm trying to see. I read somewhere. Yeah. Dry needling makes you fatigued. I was fatigued.
Doesn't make me fatigued. I just got it yesterday. I laid down for a hot second, and I was telling my wife, I was like, "Dang, I just laid my head on a pillow. I instantly got tired. I was like, but I'm hungry and I want to watch this show, so I ate and I watched the show, and then I went to sleep."
Oh yeah, no, not me. I put my head on the pillow and I was out. I was done. I was done.
I mean, that's what I mean. Like something that relieves your stress, such as dry needling, is allowing you to get the sleep that you probably needed already. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to say. You don't get a lot of sleep at all because you're constantly on your devices, right? Like you always have a distraction before you go to bed, all that type of stuff. So it's hard for you to actually lay down and go to sleep. So when you wake up the next morning, you're super fatigued. So you end up being tired all day. So the smallest things would be like, oh yeah, that makes me tired right there. I'm like, yeah, I guess.
That made me tired. I was out. Out like a light.
But I don't know. Like, what do you feel like? Did you allow her to like go up in, or the person that did it? How much did how much did they go up in strength? Because I didn't allow them to go much at all. Because I actually have like a lot of pain right there.
What do you mean go up in strength?
So did they put the TENS unit on the needles?
No, they didn't do that.
Oh, okay. So they did the dry needling for me, and then they put the clamps on the needles, and then the clamps were hooked up to like electricity.
Yeah, they have that. She told me about that. She said she doesn't like to do it on the first time though. So what she did was she put the needles in, and then I guess like she put the needles in for 4 minutes, and then she twisted them after 4 minutes, and they dug deeper into my body. I was like, oh my god, my body started twitching and shit. I was like, oh.
Yeah, they did that to me, but I guess because mine is like a little bit more chronic. So, and I've used a TENS unit before. So she was like, well, I mean, if you used all of this stuff before, like this ain't gonna be too much different. She's like, just let me know if I go too deep or something like that, or I hit like a nerve or you get some radiation.
Oh yeah, they was hitting nerves. I had like pain shooting up the side of my back. I was like, oh my god. But yeah, no, she didn't do the TENS unit thing. She talked about it though. I mean, I told him I had the TENS unit too, and I mean, I do electrotherapy every Thursday, which is today. Matter of fact, I gotta go back and get a massage, chiropractor, and the electrotherapy. But yeah, they didn't do that for me.
What's up, Cordy, man? Thank you for asking. My back is getting a little better. It's still super sore. Every time I leave therapy, I feel really good, and then life happens, and I wake up after bed, and I'm just like, fuck, I'm still in pain, you know? The mornings are much worse than the afternoons.
Did any of your accounts get reset on Top Step X?
Yeah, I got an email while I was watching the show. I haven't actually checked, but
yeah, they reset one of my accounts. They got two for you. They reset only one of mine.
I mean, they reset the ones I paid for, so yeah, two. They better have two.
Yeah, they only reset one, but they like they said they've been having issues, so it's nothing on our end. But
yeah, if you guys are using Top Step X and you got the $4.50 account like Justin and I did, they've been having issue with the billing. So I think yesterday was my billing cycle due date, and they didn't bill me until yesterday evening. Like, I was watching the wife and I were watching Love Is Blind, and yeah, that's when I got the notification. I was like, oh, okay, I'm good.
What you know about this one? I think we're about to reverse down here. We're getting the inverse head and shoulders.
Yeah,
about to go.
The tape is looking real aggressive over here too. I'm gonna just be patient, man. I'm
not touching this. I see the fact that we're about to go potentially, but
I don't think it's about to go. It looks like it wants to go, but again, this downtrend is looking like this all morning. I've just been watching this thing. I'm like, I would have got short there. I would have got long there. I'm like, I already know what kind of day today is gonna be. It was just super choppy, and like I said, I'm just looking for clean setups at my areas of interest. We're not at my area of interest. I'm not even looking to touch the thing.
Yeah, that's where I'm at too. That's where I'm at too. I was just noting the fact that I did notice we got the sweep, and now we put in the higher low, and we'll see. Maybe this fails, maybe it doesn't. But yeah, nah, I'm with you. I'm not touching this either.
It's just consolidation. We're just trading sideways because we just broke that low, but I think ultimately the market wants to come down. But it's going to dance around in this area and fuck over a lot of people for a little bit, and then it's going to go in its direction.
Yeah, meanwhile, CL is still ripping.
Yeah, which also makes me even more bearish on the market. Look at these bears coming in.
Yep. Looks like the pattern's about to fail here.
The pattern's not failing. You're just looking at it the wrong way. It's a head and shoulders the opposite way.
Oh, yeah. Or that. That's true, too. It's like it was an inverse head and shoulders, a head and shoulders.
Head and shoulders the opposite way. It's a triple top at 366.
Well, that's facts.
They still got to take out this low down here, though, at 46.
Yeah, ES is also selling pretty aggressively right now.
Yeah, I think the market wants to come down. It's just NQ, it's so tough to sell off NQ because we've just been so bullish. So at every single level, the market taps liquidity and just bounces, finds more buyers, takes out more liquidity, bounces. It's like, bro, just get to demand. I'd rather just long the market back up. Like, even though we're looking bearish, until we break that low, that structural low on the higher time frame, I feel more comfortable just taking the longs.
Yeah,
it's just so hard to be bearish.
Void said we need one good, one pay the bills and be gone from this idiot box.
For real, he talking about from today's price action. Get one good trade.
Oh, one good trade. Okay.
That's what you talking about. I'm feeling
I'm glad you followed. I was like,
I'm feeling the same way, boy. And I'm like, bro, just let me get one good trade and get up out of here. I do not like this choppy shit. Like I understand the structure, but again, it follows structure. But before it follows structure, it likes to take you out if you don't get the perfect entry, you know.
Yeah,
and it's like, bro, like I don't want to play that game. Like, just give me one good trade and get me up out of here today. Like, I'm not trying to be here too long today.
Nakia says, local guy to me in North Carolina makes this natural pain reliever that could help. I ordered some because I have back pain from Spinal Tap. Did a good job. Look up Charles Warren Presents. Interesting.
I ain't trying to try no new weird shit, but I'll look it up though. I like the traditional stuff that's been working for me.
basically what he's saying is he's a pill popper. No, I'm joking.
I haven't taken muscle relaxers in a minute.
It was a joke. I tried muscle relaxers. I cannot.
You don't need muscle relaxers. You'll never wake up.
I almost died taking muscle relaxers. I cannot.
You will be in bed all day long.
I will be. I won't get up. I've done it before. Take
this. Every time we try to take out a low, watch we come all the way back up and run the high. Watch this.
Yep. Nevaska says, good morning, guys. Do you have a video on how you fundamentals in futures? No, we don't have a beginner's video yet, but I'll get working on that one because that's something that I have on the document to make. So that'll come out here soon. I just want to that's one of those videos where I need to make sure that it's like has a lot of good information because that's a really helpful video. But I mean, just ask questions now. If you have any questions about futures, we can answer them here. Makai says, morning, just playing evals today. I think not liking this movement. Yeah, I don't disagree with that at all.
I mean, it looks like we want to come up, then it looks like we want to go down, then it looks like we want to come up, then it looks like we want to go down. Like I'm following the structure. I understand what's going on. I just don't like the behavior of the candles, the individual candles that are causing the structure, right? Like that's my issue.
Why do you have this zone here if we ran this? Should be from here to here. Void says, sorry, Jay, about my English. Fasting Ramadan got me tripping. It's all good, bro. Hobbs knew what you was talking about. I just didn't.
Yeah, I figured it out, bro. I got you.
Nakia says, LOL.
All the way back up. Ran the high. Now let's see if we dump from here. Do we continue to run the high? This thing is crazy, man. NQ on some other shit today. I might fuck around and trade ES. I'm not liking NQ at all. Like I'm not liking them. I know when I wake up in the morning, I see NQ acting like this. I'd be like, yeah, I'm gonna just go over here so you calm the F down. I don't know.
Brett 007 says, would rollover have anything to do with the circus? Possibly. It could be. That definitely could be a factor. People,
and we got OPEX too. Like options expired this Friday, so people could be getting out of the options, and starting new positions, all that other type of stuff. It's a lot of. I mean, there's a lot of volatility that came into this market this week. So the volatility makes sense. I just don't like it. I just don't like. Again, I'm a structural trader and a reversal trader and a point of origin trader. Like I'm all of that, but I still like cleaner moves on the chart, right? Like I don't like when NQ chops around every candle, right? I don't like when we run up 10 points in one candle and then dump 20, right? Then only to run back up 10. I don't like that. Like that's what I mean when I say I don't like the price action. I don't care how it runs up. I just would prefer it make a freaking decision, right? and I know it will. It's just a matter of am I going to? I'm just going to try to be patient and wait for NQ to make that decision, right? Because now the market looks bullish, then it'll go back to looking bearish. It's bullish until it to me it's bearish until it breaks above 66.75. If we get above 66.75, then we'll go back to bullish character and put in a higher low. And then I'll be looking along the market.
Yeah. The question is, are we going to run a high and then come back down, or
we just ran it?
No, well, yeah. Well, yeah, we are running this high. Yeah.
That's why I said 66.75. We just ran the high. So the question is, do we now come back down and retest the low and continue to the upside?
Yeah, I think a lot of stops just got hit right there too. That bubble was huge.
100%.
That was a big bubble. So a lot of people's stops just got hit. So let's see what happens.
They ran everybody's stop, and now on the way coming back into the supply zone that brought us down here, that didn't really accomplish anything. So let's see if they actually take the market down from here.
This is very ugly.
I mean, it came close enough. Shit. It came to 342. It basically tapped right into Asia and left. So
yeah, we'll see. Makai thinks we're gonna flush it open 307 and then bounce. We'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna let price develop a little bit at open, see what it wants to do. I'm not looking to jump into anything prematurely. Let's see what ES looks like right now before the market opens. Yeah, ES is still kind of. ES is trying to find some buyers down here at the low where we consolidated overnight.
That's basically where NQ just tapped into the overnight consolidation at 350. Mm-hmm. The overnight high and low, we tapped into 50% at 350, and now we're taking off.
Oops. Yeah, we're getting a nice little bounce here. Oh, Apple's ripping right now too. Apple's up over $1. We'll love to see CL start dumping. CL been in a nice little uptrend.
CL been ripping for all week, bro. That giant is not pulled back. That thing been ripping all week. I'm like, yo, chill.
All right, ding, chill. Ding, ding. Okay. The market is open. See what we do.
God is lucky.
Definitely gonna be patient. It almost looks like we're potentially getting an inverse head and shoulders right here on the larger time frame, but again, I'm just gonna wait.
I like to see this low ran if we're gonna go up.
It looks like it's about to be ran. We're selling aggressively here. Let's see what we do.
Let's see if we tap at 55. That's the 50%. I think we bounce here. There's a tap of 55. Let's see what happens.
A lot of selling.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, come on down.
Mm-hmm. They dumping this shit.
Just tap low of the day. Let them drop it like it's hot. low of the week.
Drop it.
Oh my
Drop
God.
it. Dump this sheesh. All right, ran through the 50%. This is the last chance for the Bulls. Don't look good on the tape. Looks like we about to run the heck out this low.
Yeah, the selling's increasing.
Yeah, they throwing the book on the time it says. I want to see it close though. Yeah, it swept the low. That's why I said we swept the high, we swept the low. Now I want to see us. We took out the high, right? We took out the previous consolidation, and now we're taking out the previous low. But if we don't close and start to look bullish, I ain't nothing with it.
Yeah, I'm not saying anything just yet.
Mm-hmm.
That's MNQ 3 here. ATM MNQ.
Yo, this sweeper is not playing no games on this tape. He coming with it.
You see the buying though that's coming in here at the low?
Oh, it's a ton of buying coming in at the low, bro. He throwing it back. Come on, you said it first. I just went with what did you say?
Hey, nothing is worse than what Malik said yesterday, all right?
Yeah, right?
Nothing can beat Malik.
No, I don't mean nothing bad, but he got the big thighs and big butt. Like, what? That boy thick.
No, he's not.
Yeah, no. That was some wild-ish right there.
Boom, 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 boom.
What are we trying to do here, man? Feels like we about to just drop out of the freaking sky. But anytime it feels like that, that means we about to rip to the moon, right?
All right, I'm trying to long here. I'm seeing the buying coming in at the low.
Yeah, I do too. Nice of you to join me, Justin. I've been long. Shit. I was waiting on Justin to freaking join me. I'm like, bro, like you ain't gonna rock with me on this one?
Nah,
Make
I'm
me
rocking.
feel a little better. I got it 49.50.
I got it at 50.25.
Yes, got him.
I hate you.
I hate you. All right, I ain't doing the same shit I did yesterday, man.
Nah, I'm already at break even.
Nah, I'm up 30 points. God damn.
Yeah, I'm about to see if this can push.
Don't do this. Don't come all the way, but don't start the shit you did to me yesterday, bro. I can't take
right.
it.
We gotta.
Market do what it did to me yesterday, bro. I'm just gonna leave once again.
Nah, we going. We going.
I would be like, I'm out. This big bullish engulfing candle. We about to give it right back. No way. No way. No way. Get up there.
Get up there, girl.
Up there, girl. Quit playing. Yeah, I like what I was seeing down there at those lows. We swept the high, we swept the low. I got everything I wanted to see, and then we got that finish candle on the 1 minute, that reverse doji or that gravestone doji I like to see before the reversal candle. I love to see that on the 1 minute. When I saw that, I was like, yeah,
damn, don't do this though.
Nah, we should be good. That was a lot of buying that just came into the market.
It was, but this selling is disgusting.
Freaking hate these sellers.
And I still think we could come down one more time.
Chill out, Justin.
I just don't want to see it though.
Chill out. Don't speak that shit into existence because I'm gonna blame you for it.
I'm sorry. A lot of selling just hit the tape right there. If this can just get broke, oh my god! Stop it! Stop it, Bear! Stop it! Okay, that was good. That was a good defense. We should rally from here. That was a really good defense. I like that. Let's go. Push.
I'm watching a 15-minute. I'm chilling.
Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute, but I'm watching the tape.
I'm not watching this.
I like what I just saw right there from the Bulls and that.
Today I cannot watch the 1 minute in my trade. I will not. All right, they flipped the 15-minute green right there.
Yeah, no, that was a good defense right there.
Run that fucking high.
Where is that?
Run that high from last night. We've been fighting with. 420 was the level. 420 was the level all night. The market was failing to get above, so we can run that 420 level. We're gonna really go. But...
Valdez, you got in long? I know you did. You being silent.
He long. He been long. Let's run this shit. Run this shit, baby. Run this shit. Yeah, nah, I knew you would. I knew ain't no way nobody in here. Ain't nobody in here. Ain't nobody in this shop that's been rolling with us and training with us. Ain't nobody. Everybody got quiet when we came down to that low. I was like, yeah, swept the high, swept the low. I'm quiet. Yeah, I mean, I was looking for the same thing. I said we ran the high. Yep, and that's why I said I started watching on the 15-second. I said it's just got to close. I just want to see it close. Once I saw it close, I was like, I'm in at the low. Like my only goal at that point was just to get a better entry than you.
see, the question is did you get a better entry? Because he was quiet.
I definitely got a better entry. Oh no, I definitely got a better entry to him because he hesitated. I definitely got a better entry to him. I know because if I didn't, he would have told me already. Yeah,
I know, which is why he was quiet that whole time. He was completely silent.
He would have said it already.
I was like, he being real quiet.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I got him. I'm locking in 20 points right here, boys. I'm not giving up.
Oh yeah, I already locked in 10, 14.
I'm locking in 20. I gave back too much money yesterday. Wait, let me see where the structural low is here.
We just broke a high, so
I lock in 10 because that's the structural low right there.
That's what I did. I locked in.
I was looking at the 15 minutes, so I couldn't see it.
Yeah, I locked in 14. My target's 20. I'm trying to get back up into the supply zone.
Yeah, that 420 level. That's my first target. I want to see how we react to that 420 because that's been strong resistance all day, all night. So we're either gonna go back up and take that, or we're going back up to drop from there.
Yeah, we're gonna pull back here.
Yeah, we should tap back into 70, and if we bounce, I might add another contract here. This is the previous high, previous low. I feel you. Yeah, I locked in the enough profit where I won't feel bad if I give it back. But I'm holding for a bigger move because I think one could come out of here.
Yeah, me too. I want to work on holding.
I just want to get more contracts. I should have took more contracts at the open, but that's all right. I mean, in the original trade, I should have took more contracts because I would have cut one here.
Yeesh.
All right, I'm locking in at 20. Oh, nope, I'm good. Let's go. Bounce, baby, bounce. Come on.
Right.
Come on. Let's go. Oh my God, that was a good defense. Just get back on the other side of price. Oh no.
Yeah, just hold this.
Yeah, let me get off this 1 minute before I freaking have a heart attack. Freaking aneurysm over here.
Yeah, this volatility is nutty right now.
Let me get off this damn 1 minute chart. This thing's about to drive me insane.
That was a lot of sellers. If we rip from here, come on, put the pressure on these little Mitches.
Yeah, I want to see that buying come in.
All right, I'm moving my stop up to 71. I'm locking in 20. All right, I'm stopped out here for 20.
Yeah, me too. I'm stopped out right there for 20. We just continue to fail, but I know as soon as I get it,
Oh my God! Don't you do this to me?
I was like, as soon as I get out, it's gonna go. I knew it. I was like, watch. As soon as I get out, it's gonna fail. It's gonna go. Because this is where I wanted to add right here. So that's okay. If it comes back down and it looks strong on the 15-second, then I'll re-enter. But I didn't want to give back too much profit because yesterday I gave back too much profit. And I was not happy about that.
Yeah, me. No, not me as well, but it's all good. Just slowly growing this account, so it's all good. What you know about this one? I missed it, dang.
Yeah, did he actually say that, or is it just the instrumental?
No, it's the instrumental.
I think we're about to go right back up.
I think we're about to go right back up too. What? What? Tell us we did the right thing. Market. Let's check on chat. Let it go. Let it go, Bulls. Buy it up at demand.
Yeah, we flipped character on the 15 seconds. So until we get back above that high, I'm not looking to long this just yet.
Yeah, we're coming back down. Just tap the low of the day. Let them drop it like it's hot. Low of week. Yeah, we didn't drop it like it's hot.
Yeah, this is the area where I'm looking to buy here. I just want to see if we can get some type of defense from the Bulls. But every time we push up, see how we're not breaking the high? Every time we come up, we're not taking out any type of structural high, which tells me the sellers are very, very strong. So until I see a high being taken out, I'm not gonna flip over here yet. When I see the flip, I'll get in, just like we did down below. But if we don't get a flip, it's just gonna continue to come down. Whoa, this is why it's so hard to be a bear. Like, God, I could not imagine freaking shorting this market right here, man. It's coming down, but it's so, look how aggressive we came up to the bull side compared to how we're coming down. Oh,
yeah,
never mind.
It's been choppy, but there's the break right there.
It's important. Let's see if we break this 50% area right here. This is basically our entry right here. So I'm glad we sold.
Right? They proved us right. We secured the profit. Now we just look for the next trade setup. Yeah, we're coming down.
Yeah, we're just making lower highs and lower lows.
Oh,
Until we put in a new high, we're just gonna.
You know where we messed up right there, Hobbs? Damn it! All right, look at this. That was 30-minute supply we just tapped into.
Oh, I thought it was at 420.
It was, but there was another. But the 30-minute supply got created just now. Look at 30-minute. Look at we created that.
I'm potentially looking at longness if we can get back above this 77 level.
Yeah, go for it. It's looking good actually here.
Yeah, I want to see if we can get back above 77 and close above the high, and then I'll look to get back in. So I think we're still in bullish character until we break that low where all of that consolidation came in.
Yeah, we're still just dropping though. Yeah, we probably should have secured there. That was it's all good though. Still a good trade. Let's work on that.
Well, I also wasn't planning on taking that trade, so
I wasn't planning on it neither.
I did not have a target. I definitely did not have a target in mind. When I got in, I was like, where am I going?
Yeah, that was completely a trade based on the tape.
Definitely was not planning on taking that trade, but the tape was too clear for me. So
yeah, same here. Matter of fact, I don't, Tristan, did you see that on the tape? I'm not sharing my tape, so I don't know if you saw. But did you see? Because we looked at, this is the exact trade that we looked at yesterday. The exact same trade that we were trading yesterday just happened at open, which is why I took it. So,
but now we're looking to take out 335. If we continue to put in these lows, these highs and these lows, these lows, lower highs and lower lows, the Bears got it. and I'm just gonna it's gonna be a long day because I'm not short this market. I learned my lesson yesterday that I'm just not good at shorting the market. I suck at it.
Yeah, there was that 30-minute supply zone right there that we should have sold up there. It's okay though. It's all good. You live and you learn. You still secure profit.
You said it 3 times already. Like, let it go. It's fine, bro.
No, I know.
You say it's all good, but you continue to beat it in your brain.
Yeah, like, exactly.
It's fine. Let's move on. Like, it's all good. Let's move on.
Brain. Like,
no, you don't. No, you don't. You do not have to beat it in your brain. You made the decision. You held. Like, we moved the fuck on, bro. You just you let it drag on, and then next thing you know, it's in your head. It's like, bro, like, how many times are we gonna say it? We heard you. We should have sold at 30-minute supply. Let's move on. Next trade.
The market is cocked this year. What? You're a nice short though. Oh, they coming down. Just wait. Yeah, they are coming down right now.
Yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't even have this as 30-minute supply, honestly, because it didn't accomplish anything, right? Like, it took out 377, but just barely. So I would have been looking to see how we reacted up there, but yeah, I definitely didn't have it on my chart as something that I was looking to take profit at.
Ooh, we are dumping. Mm-hmm. But as you say, you got short.
Yeah, he shorted. He got out. They're right back in short. We swept the low, swept the high, then swept the low again. Oh yeah, I already knew. Yeah, he couldn't get back in. Yeah, that was a good drop base drop too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, we got a nice drop base drop on the 1 minute.
This market ready to go night.
Yeah. That was a true move to the downside. Woo.
Yeah, I've been saying it all morning. I just didn't.
Damn, look at ES. ES is down.
Crazy, bro. Who said that? I will not be saying that. I will not be saying that. Like, these bears are here, bro. They are here. He said, I don't want to hear you say it. Don't even mention Logan this thing back up. It's not coming back up. She's dead. She's out for the count. Yo, what up?
Damn.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, bro. We over here, we long the market up, and now Valdez is killing this shit on the way back down for about 100 points. Oh, you got out? I'm like, bro, I don't know why you got out. This 15-minute candle is freaking nuts to the downside. Facts.
You can't hate on that one.
Can't be upset, bro. Is that 100-point 15-minute candle?
Yeah.
That's 100-point 15-minute candle. I knew this shit was coming down.
Yeah, because
I knew today was going to be that day, bro.
ES has a 20-point 15-minute candle.
Bro, I just jumped in the momentum. I was like, fuck it, this shit gonna dump 100 points. I'm gonna catch some of this. I'm out for 50 right there. Shit, thanks. All right, that's 1,000. Thanks. It wasn't in my plan, but I'm like, if you're gonna dump like this, I'm just gonna ride the momentum. See ya. out for 50. Thanks for the rack. It's probably gonna dump some more, but I'm not gonna double chance that. This candle. Yeah, honestly, I thought you got in at 418. That's why I was like, yo, good short. Because that was the top, basically. Yeah, that's what I told Justin. He said, did Pippi get long? I said, did he? I said, he got long at Tokyo Open. Like, when the market opened, it dumped. So he got long. I was like, right there. He was like, I'm long. Bye, long. Yep. this is a kill count right here, bro. I'm mad I let that go.
Yeah, it's
Hey, Justin, you looking for longs today or what?
No. Not down here. Not with this selling.
Look at the VIX. Yeah.
No.
I don't get. Hey, what's that? I mean, yeah. He said he's talking about for today. We're right in my 4-hour demand, so I'm 100% looking for longs down here. I was just fucking with Justin, but yeah, no, I'm 100% looking for longs. We're about 235 is where I'm looking for longs. Nah, I'm away. What's up, brother? What's up? Yeah, that's why I'm like, I don't care. Like, I'm not gonna eliminate a good trade idea. It's a good trade idea. 100 points. We're not gonna come back up 50. Come on, come on. Yeah, at least a 50-point pullback. I'm not gonna short it. So if it's gonna come back up, I'm gonna long it back up. We'll change character here. I'm just gonna wait for the change of character on the 15-second. I'm not even watching on my trader view stream. I'm watching on TraderVid. I'm just watching to see if we can get back above 257. Nah, I'm cool. Yeah, that's the point. Nah, Pippi already long. He like, yeah, I'll take it here. I'm like, nah, I'll wait. I think we sweep one more time. If we defend this low, though, I do like your entry, but I want to see this low defended and that high taken out at 77. Okay. Yeah, I want to see if they defend this low, but I also want to see them take out that high at 57. If we take out the high at 57 and then defend the low, I'll be interested in lows. If we put in another low here, then I'll just wait for this high to be broken. I'm not going to get in short here. I'm just going to wait it out. If we break below 235, then we should put in a new low. But if we hold 235, then we'll either consolidate here or we'll look to hold this low to start to move back up. But the VIX does not look like it wants to go back up. I mean, go back down. The VIX is having a field day right now. This just might be the second leg.
Ooh, good lord!
Right, defending the low right there.
It's a 26.15-minute candle on ES. Oh my god!
Yeah, bro. NQ is down over 100 points in one candle. This was the move I was looking for this morning, bro. I was like, yo, this thing is about to flush. When I saw Pippi's entry, I said, yo, I don't think his entry is going to get tested. I think they tested it. They tested I thought it was your entry, but it was your exit at 418. They tested 418 one more time, bro. And that thing we never came back to 418. That's why my target was 20. I was like, all right, if the Bulls want to take it, they need to take out 20. But I definitely didn't take into consideration that aggressive selling pressure that came into the market from the CPI or PPI news. This might be the selling that we finally needed. But again, OPEX is tomorrow, so we'll see. All right, now the high I'm looking for to break is 47. And well, really, I'm still looking at 57 because 47, we ain't really put in a low from that. Yeah, I'd rather us get above 57. Oh shit, man, they take it out.
That's some really strong buying that didn't move the market right there.
Yeah, they taking these bulls out. They like, don't you think about it? Get down. We've been waiting to sell this shit off all year. All right, there's a defense. That's the first. That's the first higher low we've seen in a while. Let's see if they can put in a higher high here. I'm watching the 15-second here, but again, for me, 57 is still the high. Right now, we're in consolidation between 57 and 30 or 29. So we just broke some major structures. So we anticipate this consolidation. So if you're looking to trade this, you should be longing the lows and shorting the highs. Emphasis on shorting the highs. But Yeah, that's pretty much the range that we're in right now. It's roughly about a 30-point range. So if ranges are your thing, that's the range from 58.75 to 29. I'm looking for 58.75 to break out. If we can get a breakout here, then I'll look for the retest of this low, this consolidation to hold rather. Yeah, I can't really watch it on the 1 minute today just because it's moving so fast that I need to be able to analyze price. Yeah, 42 looks good, but I think we sweep one more time. All right, there's the break of the high of 47. So now I'm just looking for a retest of this range here. Yeah, I'll look for a retest of 45, and then I'll look to get in.
Ooh, look at these sweepers.
Mm-hmm. It should hold 45 though. I want to see if we can come back down and hold it.
Let's see. It's tapped into 50.
I missed it. Come on, come down here. You know you want to tap this right here. Tap this. Come on, tap this. Tap this shit. Come on. Come down, girl. Come down. There you go. Come on down. Come on down. There you go. Tap. Oh shit, that's too much. I don't like that. All right, here we go. Yeah, I like that tap. That was a tap of 45. I bet. I should have just put a limit order right there. But we're still in bearish character here. We need to put in a new high. Let's see if I can't get filled at 45. Oh. Yeah, she don't want to go up. She playing games. She don't want to go up. She like, nah, you can take that 45 and shove it. You can take it and shove it. All right, we did put in a high right there. Let's see if we dug all the way into that previous demand. So let's see if we hold this low and then potentially look to long this thing back up. I do like the longs down here. Jeez, these sellers, man, on the tape. Oh, there's like an aggressive sweeper seller that continues to dump price. Like every time we come to a level where we should push back up, this seller is just continuing to dump price even further down. So I like longs.
Oh, fuck.
It looks just like yesterday's price action. That's why I'm not touching it long. Until I get exactly what I want, I'm not touching this thing long. Yeah. I'm not touching this thing long. It's just like yesterday's price action. We're getting this consolidation, and instead of moving back up, price is literally pushing down through the consolidation. So as long as we continue to do that, that's why I'm sticking to my rules thoroughly today.
Yeah, I tried a long there, got smoked.
Yeah, no, I'm not touching the longs until I get everything that I want. I'm not gonna touch it. Facts, because I feel like this is going to be like one of those all-day sell-off type deals, and then we reverse in the afternoon. But at this point, I will most likely be hands off until this thing comes back up some, right? Because right now we're so far extended. Like you would think that we would come back up, but we've been buying for a really long time. So if these buyers are getting news that they don't like, they can sell this thing off 400 points and not even bat an eye. So I'm not gonna just chase this thing. We rejected the previous day low. We broke through the previous day low, and then we retested it, and then dumped from the previous day low. That's a very bad sign if you're a bull. That means price is basically willing to trade much lower than the previous day low. So let's see if this is a false breakout, or we plan on do we plan on selling down lower? I still like this area for longs, but I definitely need to wait to see if I get everything that I want to see. So now we're retesting that consolidation at the bottom of 220. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're retesting the consolidation at 229, and dang. Just as fast as we came up, we're coming down even faster. So in order for me to get long now, we have to break back above 47. I would not touch longs until we get back above.
Yeah,
did it. They disrespected you. Like, I'm talking about, it was mad disrespect. I was looking to get long at 4-5. I was like, I saw the tape. I was like, All right, we get back above 47. That's a really good high. I like. Let me zoom out to the 1 minute. I'm looking at the 15 second. Let me look at the, yeah, okay. Yeah. We got to get back above 65, or this thing's going to continue to come down. All right, cool. This looks really good for inverse head and shoulders, right? We just swept the low right there. After putting in that left shoulder, let's see if we can come down and hold the right shoulder at 230. I just want to see us take out the high. So this is very similar to how we came down, right? When we came down on the 1 minute, right? We came, yeah, nice. We came down on the 1 minute. See how we swept right here? We swept the low, right? And then we swept the high, and then we came down. Over here, we swept the high, and then we swept the low, right? Over here, we're sweeping the low. Now I'm looking for us to sweep the high and then potentially hold this area so we can go back up. And I'm not looking for a rally all the way back up to, the high. I mean, the tape's moving so fast, my bookmap can't even keep up. It's loading. It's like stopping to load the position. There's a seller that's selling so fast that he's leaving streaks on the tape. Like, you just notice there's not even bubbles. It's just lines. You see that?
Yeah.
He's selling so fast. He's dumping the market so fast. He's leaving streaks on the tape, bro. He's like, yeah, zip. Bro, he's not playing. You got to zoom in to see where he got filled. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. All right, so we got a huge low volume node between 66 and roughly 340 where we came up from, or when we rejected from. So in order for me to take a long here, though, I need to see a sweep of the high at 67. If we don't take 67 and come back and retest 30, right, then I'm going to be looking to short when we come up to 40. That's how I'm looking at this. So there's two trade opportunities here for me. I'm not looking to take the early entry down here. That was a nice 30-point move if you got in early down there, but it didn't fit. It didn't fit everything that I was looking for. I like the sweep, but I don't just play the sweep. I need to see a little bit more. So if we can get above the 60, 65 area, then I'm looking to take it long on a retest of 30. All right, tapping into that supply zone that brought us down here on the 1 minute between 49 and 60. Looking to potentially reject this area or break through. I want to see us break it so we can come back down for the retest for this perfect inverse head and shoulders. It looks like they got a ton of liquidity on the tape sitting right at the high at 65. So if you, I just looked at the tape. I'm like, if you're looking to break this high, just know that there's a lot of liquidity sitting up there. So I'd love to see buyers take that liquidity and then see how we react to that. But there's block side liquidity, meaning resting liquidity sitting up at 65. Yeah, strong like bull. You better be locking in some profits trading this thing opposite the range here. I mean, opposite the trend here. Because on the 15 second, it was looking like dump city at any time. I bet.
Oh, they just took that liquidity off.
Yeah, they removed it. I will not bring my accounts out in this environment. Nothing I care about will be subject to this environment. Yeah, man. I don't. The morning volatility, I usually rarely bring my fundeds out in the morning volatility, especially on a week like this. It's just, it's not where I want to be. All right, now we're getting that break, trying to break. They removed that liquidity at 65, so we're trying to break above the high here. This is the 1 minute high at 65. And I'd love to see a retest of 3-0. And if I don't get the retest, again, I'm looking to short from 340. Just trying to target areas of interest, not necessarily looking to play the trend. I'm looking to be in the trend as it's beginning, and not when it's getting going. So good entry by Valdez. Good job, brother.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
Still looking for that 335 tap if we can't get a retest down here. Yeah, but you know, it's actually less risky, right, than waiting. So this is where all of that block liquidity was up here at 65. They took it off, so it didn't get filled. But I'm looking for a closure above here. If we don't get a closure, I'm looking for price to continue and staying in this range here.
Here comes the sellers. What do you want to do here?
I think it wants to take the high. I just want to see it close above the high. What the frick would let me use my Fibonacci tool? What's going on? Market get to moving stupidly and everything just going to fritz. Oh my God, what is going on? Okay, there. Yeah. I would be. I would be. And... oh, when you got on the phone too, so yeah, that thing was coming down, bro. As soon as you said I'm about to get on the call, I was like, in a long right now. Yeesh. No, I don't like this for longs anymore if we can't close above the high. We need to close above 65 or I'm looking to short this back down to the bottom of the range. Seem to be consolidating here to take this high. If we start to consolidate, that's going to be really good to take the high here. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there's the high. That's what I thought we were doing. We were consolidating at that low to try to take out that high. I recognize that consolidation. I'm like, okay, so we should be looking to take this high now. So, all right, now that we've taken the high, now I'm looking for pullbacks into 33. If we don't pull back, then I'm just going to let it run and look to trade it short on the way back down because we're still in bearish character. We're just pulling back.
Oh, his computer. Oh, yep. Yeah, this thing went crazy. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna come back. This thing going crazy. I think this is a fake rally. It could be. Tang Clan Empress as well, guys. Have 2 more days of therapy and reevaluation of concussion protocol, and everything checks out. I'll be back next week. Let's go, Tang Clan. Yo, Hobbs, check the bigger picture in the 4 hour. YM gone out of my shorts. Nice. Check YM. Yeah, sorry we haven't been in the comments. We're just looking to trade. Yeah, this thing is pumping. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's not pulling back right now. Oh my God. What a defense. What a defense.
My bad, bro. I'm officially about to start.
You're officially about to what?
I'm officially about to start.
Where we can't hear you. Something's going on with your mic.
Mic check. Can you hear me?
It's like, there you go.
Yeah, my bookmap is loading right now, so that's probably why it's all choppy. No, I was saying I'm gonna go back to getting my early entries because I'm tired of missing these entries, waiting on this stupid pullback, and this shit never comes. Like I could have been got in. I could have got in down here 200, 210 off the tape. Yeah, fuck that. Ixnay on a when I know what I'm seeing, I'm not waiting on the pullback anymore. I'm just gonna get in. Because that's a 100-point move right there. Yeah. Holy look at the stock market. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, the stock market reversed.
Bro.
Amazon.
Oh shit! Look, bro, look at my freaking screen right now. Just go look at my screen if you're in Discord.
Yeah, I don't think this rally is fake, Void.
This is Apple. This is Microsoft. This is Nvidia. This is Meta. This is Amazon. This is Google. Look at these. No, I think we're still coming down. I think maybe because look at ES. The fuck is going on? Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay,
yes.
No, this ES. This rally might be real.
Yeah, Apple's going nuts right now.
Damn it, man!
It's dropping.
Oh my God, this shit just makes me so angry. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, I'm annoyed. I'm so annoyed, bro. My everything froze. Everything. I just got paralyzed. Jeez. Computer cut off. Come on. This thing took off, bro.
Yeah, it did.
Jeez. Damn. And it was right. Oh my God. Oh, right at 50% of that 4-hour demand zone, bro. I had this thing dead to rights, man. And I didn't pull the trigger. God, I had that 4-hour right there. I literally said it. Oh my God, this is gonna haunt me. This trade's gonna haunt me. All right, Screw it. Missed it. It's fine. Now I'm looking to short this thing still. If we can't get back above the high, we're still in bearish character. We're just coming up super bullish. And this is probably the 50% of this entire swing down. So let's see. This is the swing high. This is the swing low. Yeah, we just tapped into 50% at 300. So this could be the second leg here. Yeah. Oh, that just hurt my feelings.
Yeah, we're starting to get that rejection.
Mm-hmm.
The stock market's starting to try to come down, but Apple's ripping.
Do I got?
Yeah, VIX is coming down.
1520. So it's cooling off a little bit.
Yeah.
My freaking bookmap is horrendous right now. Like it won't even let me load the last couple hours. Oh, there it goes. This button wasn't here. Try out experimental AI. What are you talking about? Get off my screen. All right. No, we're still in bullish character on this move, but the overall move is bearish character. So I'd love to see us sweep the high at 35, and then I'll look to short it. But getting in on this continuation is dangerous just because of how aggressively we came down. Man, I'm salty. I am super salty. Super salty. Man, that shit knocked me off my square, bro. Big time.
Yeah, we're starting to come down, but I'd rather just have this be a pullback to come back up.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm more so looking to short when we get to my area of interest. I'm not gonna long this continuation here just yet. I think we gotta come down a little bit further for me to be interested in the longs.
Yeah, we gotta come down to 65 for me, 64 or in the 30s.
Yeah, 33 or 65 for me. Yeah, I'm with you on that. Yeah, it's just the market just has no interest of pulling back. Like when it starts to go bullish, like it's so hard to get it to pull back. When it's bearish, it pulls back like 30. Look at this. Look, that's what I'm saying. All we do is run highs, bro. Like yeet candles all day. That's why I say like it's so hard to be a bear in this market, bro. We run it.
But if this fails.
Yep. That's good, man. Yeah. So Microsoft is $2 above all-time highs, and Apple is going absolutely demon status right now. It does not care about anything other than going up, but the market is still coming down.
Yeah, I want to long it here just based off of the tape, but I'm just gonna wait. We got to come down a little bit lower.
I think we come down much lower. I just think the stocks are confusing me a bit, but just watching my chart, like it looks like the market wants to come down and retest this low.
Yeah, I can't long this right here. I
can't either.
I'm gonna get cooked.
Yeah, it's just there's liquidity, but there's no reaction, right? It's just
just
eating up we're just eating up the sell. I mean, we're just eating up the liquidity. So
yeah. Yeah, I see it.
It's coming back up, guys. There's no question if it's coming back up. Look at these freaking bulls, bro.
This might be all the buying coming in right here. This might be the continuation, but we'll see. It's still not low enough for me. Yeah, this is look like it's it too. Come on, drop again. Drop again. Just keep coming down. Just keep coming down.
None of my shit is loaded. Refresh the screen. What is going on today? My computer is tripping.
Yeah, these longs are about to come in, but I don't want to take it here though. Oh, okay, good. Woo, good. Come down. Oh, that's a big seller right there. That's a big seller. I know.
I still like the shorts up here, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
Look at how big that seller was. 376 right there. Look at all this negative delta.
I'm not touching it either. I'm looking at it with a little different eyes. I'm looking at it more bearishly than bullishly, but the market's making it hard for me to be bullish. I mean, be bearish.
Nope, still coming down. All right. Yeah, I was looking along that, but we still can down. We're still coming down, so I didn't take it. I would have wanted to see that on the opposite side, this push, but to the upside, I would have longed it right there. But nope. Sellers look like they're trying to bring this down.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the overall trend, and we just look extremely bearish. But the stocks look extremely bullish, so it's so hard to want to fucking short this. But I feel like it's the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Every time I look at it, I'm like, man, this thing is telling me to short.
Oh,
that's what I'm saying. Like, the stocks are so bullish that it's hard to want it. Look at this. They about to. Oh my God, Apple has lost its fucking mind, bro. Like, this thing is crazy, bro. You can't short this shit. You can't.
No. Nope. I'm not looking to short.
You can't short it.
I'm not looking to short this market. Apple's too bullish.
Bro. Apple is way too bullish. When Apple gets like this, it's like, bro, move the F out of the way. Let's see what it does at this 4 hour. Did it get above its previous high though? That's the question. Because the high was yeah, it got above the high from this morning. Yep. Yeah, this thing, Amazon is sending too. I don't know what the F has gotten to these stocks. I told you, good news is bad news. Bad news is good news. They don't care. They just buy. That's all they know. They just know how to buy. That's it.
Come on, just work your way down.
Come down. That's all I want you to do. Just come down so I can get long, bro. Like, I get it. We're bullish. Great. Now come down. We all agree that we're bullish. Now can we just, do the thing? See, we're in between the 50%. This is the 50% of that structural break. So we should be looking to break to the downside, but we're coming from a strong higher time frame demand on the 4 hour, which is why I can't be bearish.
Now we're just trading sideways. Probably going to come up. Looks like we're starting to find a bottom.
I took it long at 291. Yeah. Oh, you motherfucker. Yeah, it's looking too bullish, man. There's no way we're gonna pull all the way back. As much as I want us to, I just don't think we're going to. Like, I gotta trade what I see, not what I want to happen. Oh my God. Can we just, I feel like every time I get in this motherfucker, it just goes the opposite. What is this? What are you doing? Go back up. What are you gonna have to stab all the way back down. Okay, good. I know, bro. Like as soon as I click the button, it's like, yeah, it looks good, don't it? It looks good, don't it? Oh my god. Why? Why right here do you need to do this? You don't need this kind of pain, bro. Like, just go up. There you go. Get out of here. Shoot. Shoot. All right. I'm just so done with this trade. Like, give me my break even if that's the case. If you're gonna do all of this dancing, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I'm out right there. I do not like when NQ acts like this today. You know you want to go up, bro. Like, you know it. Why do you have to dance around like that? Like, oh God, it's so frustrating today. Computer's not working right. Yeah, because we want to come down. That's why 50%. Oh. Be a bear, be a bear, be a bear, be a bear, be a bear.
Oh my God.
Are you talking to yourself, Justin? I can't, bro. Like, what? I know I'm supposed to, though. Like, everything about this is telling me I need to be a bear, but it's so hard. It's so hard to want to short this. But I want to. I want to short it because it's the right thing to do. Oh my God. Yeah. I told you I got out to break even, bro. I was like, I want to short it, but I just don't feel comfortable in the shorts. Every time I get short, I just feel nervous. I'm like, yo, how can I short this with Apple going nuts like this? But looking at where we are in structure, this is what I should be doing. I should be looking to short this, but again, the current structure is still bullish. So, and we haven't shifted the character on the current. Bro, I
got in at 9.3.
I cannot.
This is my last trade on this account. If this trade doesn't work, then I'm done.
I'm not going to continue chasing this price action.
Well, we got a bid at 80, so
all we're doing is consolidating. We broke that high and we're just consolidating. So we're probably going to sweep the high and then sweep the low, then get exactly what we want, and then it's going to go up. Which is, I want this thing to pull back to 33, 35. And where I should have been in, I didn't get in. So now I'm trying to long inside of this consolidation, and it just never works out. And of course, since I didn't take the trade, it'll probably work out for you guys. This time I really did not take the trade, by the way. Oh, come on. Yeah, no problem. Anything I can do to help you guys out, man. Anything I can do to help you guys out, man. I'll just stay away.
Let's see. We're breaking above this high. We just got to close above. I'll feel a lot better about this trade. Oh, there we go. There's the push we want to see. No. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was taking L's that over here. I was like, man, I cannot time this. I cannot time it for the long. I was giving it 15. Yeah, that's true. It's all good. I'm coming for all my ducats back in my funded account. I'm coming back for all my ducats.
Ding, 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 ding. Maybe we can get the short if we come back up to freaking 368. Right now, these bulls are taking over. They taking over, and the stock market has no chill. Google is going crazy. Amazon just broke through supply. Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, everything just took off. I had this level dead to rights. I just struggling with my execution today. Definitely struggling. There's a tap of 333 where I want to get short, but I'll be damned. This is that tap of that low right there, Justin. So
yeah, I'm watching. I'm already at break even.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bulls don't seem to care. Mm-hmm. You got to go to add-ons and then add the trading view option on TraderVate. On TraderVate, go. Yeah.
We're starting to struggle here.
Go to add-ons and then scroll down, and it'll have the option to add on trading view login. You don't. It's only with Apex. TraderVate, just like you would log into any other TraderVate account, and then go into Apex, and then go to add-ons, and then go to the add-on that's
all right.
That's the trading view. Okay, well, do your thing. Let me know.
All right, give me my bread. I'm out there. All right. Changing accounts. I'm green on the day on this account, barely.
Yeah, I better get out the way. I'm coming for y'all liquidity.
I got out.
I'm short. 27.
All right, going to Top Step X.
Bro, where you been? Where you been, bro? Like, where you been, bro? Like, you asking some day one shit right now, bro. Give me a second. Let me finish. Let me focus on the trade right now. Then we'll talk about Top Step X. We do, but I just think that damn. All right, I stopped that for free. Fuck. No, I'm coming for your ass. Banana way. Banana way. Banana way. Banana way. Da, da, da. Come here, girl. All right. I take the 100.
But you got long.
Yeah, no, I'm short. I'm scalping the shorts on Top Step, $100 a pop. One of these motherfuckers gonna hit.
Yeah.
We run the high. On down. Let's see if you want to break the structure here. I'm
damn.
What's up?
I wish I would have traded. No, I just wish I would have traded a little bit better on that on my fun day. I mean, it's all good. I'm slightly green, so it wasn't a bad day. It just, oh man, there was some opportunity that I hesitated on that I shouldn't have, but it's all good though.
Malik, mute your mic. You good?
No, I probably should have held that to here. Yeah, it's okay. Things about
what you know about this one?
I told you. What you know about this one?
I didn't know he said it. That's why I was asking you. I was like, does he actually say that?
Yeah,
like, yeah.
What you know about this one? What you know about that one? Bull.
Yeah, I feel like with NQ, when NQ's on days like this, you got to go into like straight 10, 15 and go. Yeah.
When NQ's on like this, look, it's 10:30 and it's still volatile. Like
that's what I mean. Like when NQ get like this, bro, it's time to just go straight into scout
entries. Well, and plus the tape entries are important too.
I mean, the structure's just not pulling back at all. Like, but yeah, I agree. When structure's not pulling back, the tape entry is probably the best thing to do.
Whoa.
I think this thing wants to come down from up here, buddy. This is my area. Oh. No, don't at me, bro. Man, I thought me and your wife was friends, man. She about to tell her I just unfriended her. I just unfriended her. Yo, this market. Yes, that's me. This market is about to come down, man. Nvidia's trying to slam the door here.
Jesus Christ, my fucking 10,000.
Oh, okay. Well,
so all light.
I was about to say I don't know how that translates to light skin. You ain't light skinned, bro.
Your wife said
you are not.
Your wife said, "Please go wake up the children."
Wait, what?
Please go wake up the children.
I said, hold on.
She's on the stream, so I guess.
Oh, hold on, baby. I'm actively trying to look the trade. They will be okay. It's spring break.
They will be okay. It's spring break out here.
Spring break out here. Again, we're consolidating at the high. Market looking to either put in a new high here or start to trade down. I wanted to start to trade down, but I want to see it break some significant structure on the 1 minute. I actually like that. Yeah, I told you these bears is here, bro. Like this is the area. This is the area I think they start to come in.
I wanna see them break 318 and come back up. But again, though, this might not happen with how freaking volatile we've been.
Yeah, I just got in short at 32.25.
Oh, I definitely missed the short right there.
Yeah, we were looking good on the 15-second. I'm still bearish because I think this is the area that I thought would be the second leg down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we just closed the gap right there too. If you're a fair value trader. I have VWAP on.
I understand what's happening. I just don't reference VWAP. That's all. Oh, okay. You mean like we're not referencing the yeah, but yes, that area is VWAP most likely, but it's the center. It's the 50. It's basically the 50% of this entire. Basically, where all of this aggressive selling started. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. So yeah, there's a whole lot of shit going on here. So. Facts. If these, nah, I think I'm gonna let this one come down. I like the selling that occurred, and I think my money's on the bears today. As much as I'm scared to be in this position, I'm gonna allow it to play out where I think it's gonna go, and I think we can at least get below. We can start to trade below the structure. No, it's literally standing still. It has not moved from 1520. Oh wait, hold on.
VIX is pushing up.
No, I'm sorry. My computer reset. So the VIX that I was looking at, the VIX I was looking at was not the actual VIX. It was at 1520 for the longest time. This was the VIX from about 30 minutes ago. So yeah, we're at 25 now.
VIX is coming up.
Yeah, so that makes me feel better about my trade as well. So
I'm trying to short up this drop-based drop right here.
Yeah, I'm in at 32.25. I think if we come down, we could come down pretty violently.
There we go. Come on.
Yeah, my target is 231.50. There we go.
What you know about this one?
This is what. See, I should have just waited on this trade altogether, because this is the other trade that this was my plan. I was like, if I can't catch the long, then I'll look to get short up at 333, and I'm short 332.25.
Yeah, I think
exactly what my plan was.
I think. All
right, I'm locking in
called?
about
Mean
600
reversion?
there. I don't know what you're talking about. What are you saying?
Mean reversion traders, they normally try to take trades off VWAP, especially if we move like super far away.
I don't know. I've never heard you discuss that before, so I don't know what we're.
It's just a style of trading.
It's like a random thought you just came up with.
No, it's not.
I'm saying it sounded like we were actively in a conversation about mean reversion traders. He's like, what's that called? Like mean reversion traders? I'm like,
oh,
when we talking about mean reversion traders, like we were just talking about the trade. How did we jump into mean reversion traders?
Because what made me think about it was because of Malik talking about VWAP. Because a lot of traders, they use VWAP as like mean reversion. Because normally, I mean, you did the same thing without realizing it. Like normally 50% of the range, when they say we revert to the mean and then we reject, that's the 50%. So that's all I was saying. AC Trades, what's good? What's good with your brother? Yeah. I think Hobbs went to go wake up his kids.
No, I'm still here.
Oh.
I heard him. I'm actively watching what's happening. Yeah.
My wife the kids are baking.
Look, I'm actively managing my trade right now. Like I'm not even managing it. This is where I think we're going is much lower than my exit, but I think
where I think we're going, we don't need roads.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. VIX is looking good, 28. If we can get back in the 30s on VIX, we'll go ahead and come down. We got a minute, 40 seconds left in this 15-minute candle, so I'm going to allow this trade to come down if it's going to come down. We're up about 900 on the trade, so I hate saying how much I'm up because, like, people get upset with me when I don't take it, right? Like, look, I know it's not about the P&L for me. It's about the process. You know what I mean. People. Yeah, I'm in here. Yeah, I don't have a problem giving it all back because it's not $900 of my money. Like I'm in a combine account. Like I'm more so focused on the process. I don't care about the P&L. The P&L is cool, but no. I'm in Top Step. I'm in Top Step X. If I was up 900 in Apex, I'd probably be looking to scale out.
And that's exactly why I was looking to cover myself when I took that trade because I was in Apex. So I was like, yep, I'm going to go ahead and cover this right here. But yeah, whenever I'm in Top Step, I once I'm at break even, I can genuinely care less. Like last night, I took a trade. I took a trade overnight, made $200, and I was like, I'm at break even, whatever. And I just started securing profit as it came down. So.
All right, there's the VIX to 30 right there.
Yeah, this thing's about to. I think this thing could potentially drop here. We just need to break this low.
We got 18 seconds left in this candle, so I like to see the low broken inside the next candle. But if we start
holding this low right here,
yeah, last 10 seconds here.
Come on, sellers. Oh, there's a lot of buying going on down here as well. So if this low breaks, it's gonna be beautiful. I think we're playing around too much. I got too much risk on the table. I'm going to break even.
I'm locking in 500 just after that candle closure. I'm locking the 535 there.
I got in late, so if this thing's not going to sell off, then I don't want to take a huge hit. I'm going to go ahead and actually give it the. No, I'm not going to give it that. I was up 2-1. Get that. I gotta give it a break even. There we go. Will I survive? Yeah, I don't think this thing wants to break down. The VIX is just, it's like the VIX wants to come down, but all right, come on, sell here.
We just broke a low, so we're consolidating at that previous low. But
I'm just looking at the stock market, and all the stocks are starting to shift back to the upside.
Yeah, we're double tapping. This is the second tap of that 4-hour demand zone that I have. I'm very concerned about this area, but I've locked in profit. I'm gonna let it do what it wants to do. I've locked in 50% of the profit, so I'm okay.
Come on, come.
That's what I'm saying. Like it is, it's all good. This thing is neither come down or don't. Just don't touch it. Just don't touch it. Yeah, I'm bro. Because 550, I'm good on this account at 550. But if I can start locking in more, I will. If we continue to put in this little miniature uptrend, I'm gonna go to 600. And I'm gonna go to 6. Because again, now the market's starting to play games that I don't have to participate in. You want to give me 600? I'll take it. Thank you. I'm out. Because we started to shift character down there at that low, and this is a very dangerous spot. Because looking at the 4-hour, right? If you guys, I'm pretty sure I'm not sharing my screen anymore on here because I reset. But if you look at the 4-hour, this is the reason why I needed to be in early and out by the time we came back down to this far. Because this is where all of the bullish activity happened. Where we got in short was where all of the selling started, right? So the selling started up here. This is 18,393. Remember, I was talking this morning about this 4 hours. So this is the retest of the 4-hour. So if we're not going to break this, I need to be out on this candle. So I got in short as soon as possible at 32, and I got out on the break of this candle at 303, right? Securing 31 points, which is a good trade, right? So
that's a very good trade.
I think we could still come down, but I'm not willing to chance my entry for it. This is the retap of 314, 50% of that previous 1 minute demand zone or 1 minute supply zone. This is the previous high that needs to break. I don't know if it's going to break. I don't care if it's going to break. Now my idea, the trade that I wanted to take, I executed it, and now it's time to look for what else I can do in this market.
About this is where we got long. Matter of fact, we couldn't break. They basically defended our entry.
Yep, we're just tapped.
That's a good point.
Right into 315, which is the other shoulder. Good call.
That's a really good point. But the only thing is, well, yeah, did we put in the high? Yeah, I guess we kind of put in the high. I would have liked to see us close a little bit better. But yeah, this could be the breakdown right here.
Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. That failure to buy higher right there, that last push up was it right there. So maybe I got out too soon, but I got out. I managed to trade properly for my entry, right? And what I wanted to accomplish out of the trade. So locking in 50% of the trade, I think that was a good idea. So that's what I did. Bottom. Now for you guys, we just need to break that 283 low, and we should start to trade lower.
If we can't break this low though, this market's about to send.
No, we're breaking it.
Yeah. Oh, yep, there it is.
Yep. We're coming down aggressive. Dang.
Yeah, we were in the right. We had the right trade, bro. It just played around with its food.
Yeah. Oh, did you get out too?
Yeah, I got stopped out for a small win.
Yeah, I think we come all the way down to 234. But you see why I say it's so hard to be a bear? You see how aggressively we're coming back up and sweeping the high versus when we go bullish, we just go up, right? There's no pullbacks. It's like go up, get out of the fucking way. Like we're going up. Get in or get out of the way. It's like
I'm trying to long here though. Just based off of what I see on the tape in the area that we're in. I know we just broke structure, but
no, it's the same thing we got at the low. It's the same thing we got at the low. I think this is a good loan here. It's the same thing we got at the low. We're still in bearish character, but again, every time we hold this bearish character, we're not even giving you a chance to get in. It's just go. Yeah, what's up? Right? To give yourself opportunity to get used to doing it. Yeah. Yeah, that might not be a bad idea. Is to start getting your mind like prepped for taking the shorts again. You need shake your shorts. Yeah.
Why you say it like that?
He's pissed about it. He's
I
like,
know.
Damn. Bro, you gotta put that controller down, bro, when you start feeling that tilt, man.
You getting 50Ks, right?
Micros, man.
How many micros are you trading on the 50K? Okay.
About that stupid. He said, "What? You blew it on." We fell like 300 points, so if you was in the wrong direction, micros or not. Yo, this thing is. Yo, Justin, these Bears, man.
I know. I'm about to close out of my position, honestly.
They in the building. You know what time it is, my friends. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Yeah. We took a couple shorts. Took one. I think I took one long. But Justin's currently trying to long this market back up. I see what he sees. I'm so annoyed with these trades right now.
Oh, if we can push out of this is going to be really nice. There it is. There's that push. Come on. Just get the continuation. Don't let this
trading timeout. Yeah, facts. Yep, because you'll give it right back. Facts.
Yeah, we're not holding this. These Bears said, "No, you shall not pass."
I don't know. It looks good. The consolidation looks good on the tape, but
yeah, but we're not getting. We failed to get above that previous high. We pulled back, and
look at Amazon, bro. Jesus,
the stock's still pumping. I don't want to switch because I don't want to miss this if I'm going to get out. Actually,
yeah, Amazon is going nuts, but
I'm at break even. That's probably about to take me out. All right, there you go. Break even. I got out. The selling is just too aggressive. It's egregious.
Yeah, but it won't continue.
Oh, I'll get back in.
That's the problem. Is like the selling is strong, but it can't accomplish anything. So if it can't accomplish anything, it's just going to continue to go up. We're not accomplishing anything. So you just got to get a good entry and get the low. That's why I said like your entry is so important on days when the market is super volatile or potentially going down in size, right? So you can give yourself a lot more room because the market is super volatile. It's doing the same shit that it normally does, but it's just super volatile today. So it's like your entries need to be on point and you need to give yourself a little bit of room to be wrong. I mean, look how aggressive this is to the sell side. Like, look at these candles. But we're not going anywhere. Every time we sell down aggressive, you see what I'm saying? Yeah. And then all of a sudden we pop right back up. So it's like, are we selling? I don't know. I mean, the VIX is at 35 right now. There's definitely a ton of selling going on right now, but the market is not moving down. You know? They're trying to build it up so they can go back up. That's what it looks like to me too.
Yeah,
It doesn't. It feels like we're going down, but it looks like we're trying to build structure to go up. If you're looking candle by candle, it feels strong to the downside. But I mean, the market just continues to rally. The market just doesn't care. ES looks bad too. It looks like it's trying to reverse to the downside too. But again, the bulls just keep defending. Something's got to give at this level. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just going to wait. I just don't like the price action at all. Like this, the price action is good. It's just super volatile. Like way too volatile for me. I'd rather just wait for the PM session when things slow down a bit. Because again, look, bulls continue to defend. All of that selling that's coming in, and the bulls continue to somehow go back up.
Oh, that might have taken enough liquidity right there, though. See, if we defend this, it'll be good.
And here come the bulls right back up. This is not where I want to trade. This is not for me. This is for big money. I don't got enough money to move this market out of the consolidation, so I'm staying the heck up out of this. She wants to do something out of this area. Whatever happens out of this area, it's going to be nasty. VIX at 38 now. Sheesh. VIX at 40 now. And still we're coming back up. This is I don't care. I don't care how much I practice being a bear. I cannot short this market, bro. Like everything that I'm reading, like it should be coming, like this thing should be dropping massively. But
we're coming down. We're hitting my stop. There it goes. Yeah, no, we're coming down. We're coming down.
Yeah, they should be coming down, but again, bro, that's it. They like, yeah, we going long. Get it. You want it. And look, if I'd have just held my entry from the high, never would have even been touched. I got in at 332. I could have still been in this thing. It would have been a headache, but I could have still been in it. Shit, look at these bulls, bro. Like, what is this? Like,
tap me out and then come right back up.
I'm saying it's so hard to be a bear. I cannot do it, bro. Like, it was so uncomfortable. But once we started sliding, I was like, oh, okay, we good. And then boom, dead stop. We just stopped right here. Nothing. I guess whenever Apple wants to do something, it's just literally sitting at the high. So whatever the stocks decide to do from here is going to be the direction. But yeah, right now it's not in an area where I would be interested in this market whatsoever. This is more probably the POC, probably right below VIX. I mean VWAP, something like that. Like we're probably right at the highest volume on the day, right? Like, and I'm good. Or maybe like the equilibrium on the day. So. I'm extremely bullish. So as long as if this market continues to do this, it's just gonna fuel my bullish thesis. But especially at this 4-hour area, like I think the market wants to come up.
I was right. I was just early.
You were late.
No, I was early.
What was your entry? You were early on your thesis, but you were late on your entry. Huh? Yeah, are you talking about like where we are in regards to structure? Yeah, because I used to use those indicators. I know it. Good. Yep. It's right beneath us. Yep. I mean, again, these things are based off the volume of the candles. So I can look at the chart and tell you where the POC is. This is most likely where the POC and VWAP is. I can just look at it and tell. I know that the volume area high is where we last sold off from, right? 397, somewhere around there, right? The POC has to be the center of that, and the low is where we came from. So this is why there's a struggle. There's a battle right here because This is the point of control. So whoever wins this battle is going to send us for the day, right? So it'll start to move up. It'll start to move up. If we start to push up, watch how that volume, watch how that POC starts to shift, right? You'll see it once we get out of it, if we come out of this bullish, you'll start to see the POC shift.
Now, this was a rally-based rally on the 30-minute.
Yeah, I was looking at the 15, and this was 2 15-minute. Remember I told you when I see those 2 15-minute candles fail to accomplish anything, it's like we're going back up or down the other way. It's exactly what I'm seeing on the 15-minute right now.
Yeah, we
had 30 minutes bullshit and rally. From now on, I'm just gonna stay out of that shit. But I got the short that I wanted.
I got the long that I wanted. I just didn't get it.
I did my damage. I don't need none of this. Like, yeah. Yeah, we should be moving to take out 342 now. Again, we just have to get moving. If you're the Bulls, you want to accomplish something with this nice push out. There was so much selling that took place in that consolidation. The VIX got as high as 40 inside of that consolidation, and now we dropped all the way down to 25, which tells me that we're about to stop out a lot of people if we continue higher. Yeah, we're about to go.
Yeah, I was reading that right. I'm proud I read it right. I just need to be a little bit more patient on that last drop, or if I would have given myself a little bit more room to be wrong, I would have been okay.
Let me yell at my kids real quick before my wife killed me.
Because I knew we were coming back up. I had a really good feeling about it. Plus, the tape was confirming it to me. I just entered a little too early. But let's see if we drop. I want us to drop back down to 300. If we drop back down to the 300, I'll look to long the market. Count your swings. Yeah. I mean, there was no real swings to count. We're moving sideways. I mean, I guess technically you could say 1, 2, and then now we're making a third swing. But right now we're coming up. So, Dave is raving in that price PA in a 5-second time frame. Maybe double top. Yeah, we did double top, but we also like quadruple bottomed down here. Like, yeah, we hit the double top here. We were topping here, but we quadruple bottomed right here. I mean, look at one. Well, more than that. We just built support right here, pretty much. Less stress when you only trade the high of the week, low of the week. Yeah. Oh, I'm not stressed. I'm green on my PA account, and I'm just trading my Top Step X accounts now. Gonna get some practice in. That's all I'm looking at this like. Let's get practice. I got this account. If I probably take 1 or 2 more losses, I'll close this one, and I got one other one to trade today. My other PA account, or my other Top Step account, is green from a trade I took last night, so I'm not gonna trade on that one.
All right, I am back. Yeah,
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until we come down to.
You either need to come down or break this high for me to be back interested. We're a little too far gone. Is where I want to enter. I would like to enter at 296, but I want to see us break. I would love to see us break that high first. And if we break that high, then I'll be looking to enter somewhere on 50% of this high and low.
That was a really nice short that you took.
Yeah, it was literally the top. I saw it. I was reading it on the 15-second. That's why I said like I need to go back to my 15-second entries because I get much better entries and reads. I can see the flip much faster. The 1 minute flip is just too slow. And it's really easy to read on Top Step X. See, like we're getting a flip here on the 15-second, but I'm anticipating the flip to come down to 296. See how we got the flip at 329?
Look at the 1 minute. Look at the 15-second.
Look at the 15-second. You'll see it. So now if we come back down to 296, so we got the double top at 333. We flushed down, broke through 321, and then we came back up and retapped the 50% at 329. You can't see that on the 1 minute, right? And that's why I like the 15-second or the 5-second. 5-second was just way too much today. It was like, yeah, okay, no, I'm good.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Yeah, it was a good trade, but again, we're still looking bearish. Here come these bears. Here goes the VIX back up. So yeah, these bears coming right back with it. All right, so now I'm watching 296.77 for potential longs, but looking at the tape, I'm very, very fearful of longs. Just saying. And looking at the VIX, I'm like,
yeah. Not to mention the fact that we couldn't break above that, that previous high.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
I wanted the market to come down, but we had to break that high first. We didn't do it.
I want to short. I want to long this. I was like, but everything that just happened is telling me, yeah, maybe not. We did stab right into 296, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
The chart is telling me no, but my body
telling me yeah. my finger is on the mouse. Hey. I'm like, man, fight the urge. F it, click it, click it, pop it, click it.
Right. Look at. Look at the 30-minute chart right now. I cannot long this market right now.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, you might be all right, but
I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like this area. Yep. I like the area where I would want to long it. I like the way we swept and price slowed down right at that 50%, but. These bears, chill out. Oh my god. Yo, Nvidia is doing absolutely nothing today. We're just chilling at these lows, man. Like we haven't really accomplished anything. We're just consolidating at the lows.
It's so crazy how much Apple and the rest of them rallied, but we sold off so aggressively. I think it was just because of Nvidia, and Nvidia looks like it's in a bear flag, honestly.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Oh my god, oil!
I told you, oil has left the building, bro. I stopped looking at it. I was like, I could have been long oil all week. Free kills. My body. Telling me
Trista, we should have long oil when it tapped back on that low. We should have been like, yeah, we're getting long here.
Oil though. Yo, somebody said free kills in the YouTube chat. I'm weak. It was boy, and he said, "Yo, free kills, bro, free kills."
Oh my god.
Oh, weak. Yo, here we go.
No, that wasn't Boyd. That was not a Bob, not Bob.
Yeah. I caught it too, but I didn't want to tell you because every time I say I'm in a trade, the trade goes back against us. So.
Oh, so it's yep, right here. Get out.
It goes from being a really good trade to nope, it's over. Oh no, don't do it, man. I'm
You should have waited until after the high broke to let him know that you got in.
To tell him, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
My entries today are allergic to breaking highs or lows, bro. Like they're allergic to breaking highs and lows.
Yeah, you might. Yeah, this one looks good though.
You got a better entry than me though, so that's also why I didn't want to say anything.
Y'all two are so petty.
If this thing come and cooks both of us, man, I'm gonna cry. I'll be like, I'm done trading. I'm cursed this week. I'm cursed. It's official. I'm cursed. What's your entry about us? 290? You don't want to talk to me no more.
He's so mad. He like, man, you couldn't have waited until after we broke the high to let me know. The minute Hobbs said he was long, it was like, oh, wait, he let us all know we can't go any higher.
Do you want to tell me?
We just broke it. We just broke it.
Just to make it worse. I got 304, but you know, as soon as I say where I got in, we're coming back there, and then we're gonna go. That's how the week's been going this week.
This is looking good.
It looks good. It looks good. I just want to break the high. That's it. I don't never size down, bro. It's 1 mini or bust. Fuck that sizing down shit.
Pause.
Nah, bro. All play, no pause. All play, no pause. Come on, bro.
Yeah, we're
going to 400, bro. That's it. That's all.
This basing candles is about to play out.
That 15-minute, remember I told you those 2 15-minute candles did it for me. And then when we came back in and we tapped 296 and we didn't go lower, I said, I'm in. That's all I needed to see. That was the 50% retracement. We came down aggressive. It scared me, but I was like, you know what? This is the area. If you want to take it, take it. Now, this is the top of the consolidation here, so we probably should be securing some profit here. So I don't know what you're doing, but I'm locking in that.
He said, I don't know about you, but for
I'm
me,
locking in. I'm locking in the 20 points, bro. I'm not playing with this market inside of this. The way my day been going today, every time I get in and I'm up, the market's like, shut up. Nah, I'm locking in.
Bob said, hey, yo, hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. That's the pause. Hey, yo.
Should I lock it in?
Hey, Pippi, is Pippi still in here?
Nah, Pippi said he out. Yeah, I'm out right there, bro. 415. Nah, Pippi said he's not trading until this afternoon. We're basically consolidating, bro. So like, if you're taking the longs, you should probably be out right at 334. So I took it long at the low and got out at 24. So this range is just understanding where we are in this range. I'm not gonna hold for longer moves. Right? Like just look at the 1 minute and see what we're doing. We're consolidating. So if you're looking for the longer move, you're gonna be holding this all day long until we break one way or the other. So we had this issue yesterday, right? Because we didn't recognize the conditions of the market. So I'm letting you guys know the conditions of this particular area right now is that of consolidation. So if you're looking to long or short this, highs and lows is going to be the entries, right? So if you want to hold it to the long, go for it. I'm looking for 20 points to get in the F out. I learned my lesson yesterday. I left way too much meat on the bone yesterday, and not because I was trading correctly. It's because I was trying to look for way too many points inside of the market conditions we were in. Damn, that shit let me go just because I got out.
Nah, we switched order flow.
Yeah, we definitely shifted. You can see it on the 15-second too. But again, we're going right back down, right back to the low, right? That brought us back up here. So we should be looking for, what is this area here? I'm just watching it on a 15-second at this point. We should be looking for a tap of 313 now, right? So watch for 313 to hold on a sweep. Because we're definitely bullish. The range is bullish. All right, here comes that sweep. Let's see what happens here at 313. Tapped.
I don't know about this one.
Tapped. Still no shift, no aggressive buying on the tape just yet.
There's some aggressive buying. Let's see this get shut down. I'm short at 30, or no, so I'm sorry, I'm short at 20. I'm just looking for a quick scalp here. See what we do at the low first.
Yep, I think that's a good trade. I think playing this range is the way to go, right? Like to me, like when we get into ranges like this, you got to shift your thesis. You can't look for these huge moves anymore. You gotta shift your thesis. You got to be able to adjust to what the market's giving you. When the market's giving us a range, play the range. Identify it, play the range. Yep. Just make sure you pick a target that's reasonable, right? Like I think longing the market is good at the lows. No, I agree. Yeah. No, I'm not telling you to stop. I'm saying just recognize what we're doing, right? The current price action is range bound. So if you want to hold, right, it's fine to hold, but if you're gonna hold, try to get the low, right? So you don't get stopped out. That's what I'm saying. My goal is to scalp the range, but you don't have to scalp the range. You can just hold through the range if that's what you choose to do. But if you believe it's bullish, try to get the low. If you believe it's bearish, try to get the high. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying just recognizing what's actually happening is all I'm saying. Careful up here, Jay, for these these bulls look like they're trying to come back here.
I know. I haven't gotten down to where I want to get down to yet. So yeah, I don't know. I know. I see it. I know. I saw. We tapped into demand on the 1 minute, so this might hold. But I'm at break even, so I'm willing to sit through and see what happens.
Okay.
See if we go take out this low, or if we hold it. Either way, really happy with my execution on this trade. Win or loss, doesn't even matter. Now, let's see if we
Did you use the 1 minute for that entry, or you use the 15-second?
15-second imitate.
Yeah.
15-second
That's
imitate.
what I like, that combination. It just gives me more clarification on what's actually happening.
Exactly.
You wanted that break of the low, did you?
I'm
looking at the low,
it's come down. We're tapping in, so my hand is on the trigger, but we're coming down now. I don't want to like overstay my welcome in this, but adjust your take profit. That's all. No. My take profit's at 86. Like it's at the low, because I think that's where we could bounce. But we're coming down pretty nicely. But I'm just gonna take it at. No, I'm gonna take it at 86. Yeah, there you go. What? Okay, I got tapped out. I was like, because if I take profit,
my take profit like that.
Can't wait. What just happened? Okay, now we're good. We got out there at the low. We're good. Good trade. That was $300 trade right there. I'm not mad at that at all. I was about to say, bro, don't do this to your boy. Don't
disrespect me like that.
Don't do this.
Again, still, in my opinion, still inside of this range, right? This little black box right here. We're still right. Am I showing my screen?
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Bro. We're still inside of this range right here. And it looks like we're trying to break to the downside of this range, right? Yeah. My original entry at 332 would have been stopped out for break even. I would have been so pissed. Pissed. I would have been so pissed.
Bro, oh my god, bro. That
I
was
would
so
have been
funny.
so pissed. Good trade though. Good trade. I like
Nice,
the way you
appreciate
read it. I like the way you waited until we shifted the order flow. And again, for me, just watching it on the 15-second has been better while the volatility is this high.
Hell
right?
yeah.
Like
The only thing I think I could improve on with that particular trade was I didn't wait for the 50% to tap. I knew it could happen, but I got in a little bit early. I should have waited. It's all good. It worked out regardless. But yeah, if I was critiquing the one mistake I made, it was just not letting that 50% get tapped first at 30. But
yeah, looks like we're trying to take out this range, and if we do, this is going to be a drop.
Yeah, I'm just happy I caught a portion of it.
It's at 40, and it's floating between 40 and 36. The market's just moving sideways. Like
look at the stocks though. The Apple's coming down, Amazon's coming down, Nvidia's coming down. They're all coming down.
They're trying to come down. I would if they're coming down yet. None of them have actually broke structure yet. So I think the market wants to come down, but again, I just want to see some type of structural breaks. Right.
Yeah. I think once if we can break down through this low, I think we'll be good. The only problem with this though is that I really think we're about to bounce here. Just looking at the
I was about to say, I think the market's
about
to come right back up because this damn thing is doing the same shit at the bottom of the range. Look at that.
Yeah. Right back up.
Bro. Every time we get to the low of the range, it pops right back up. Until we break this low, okay. That was the fake out. That was the fake out.
That was violent.
That was like, yeah, we going back up. Hobbs, touch it. No, I'm good. I'm straight. I'm gonna let that shit close. Nah, I'm gonna let it close. I was like, all right, there we go. Zip. Nope, gotcha. Nah, I already know. Like, if we're gonna break it, I'm cool with it. I just want to see what happens now.
Yeah.
Facts. Do we stay in this bearish character, or do we continue to, or do we start to? Yeah. That was a sweep of the low. Let's see what happens down here now.
Yeah, the market just put in a lower high.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very nice. Very, very nice.
I think this baby's ready to go. I think she's had enough, boys. 43 on the VIX.
I think she's
had enough.
She's ready to drown.
She's like, all right. I was just kidding. I made it funny.
Drown her. Yeah, I would not be trying to long this right here.
I wouldn't touch this short or long right here. I think the market's just trying to steal liquidity on the way down. Again, the way down has just been so difficult, right?
Wow,
so much more difficult to come down than it is to go up right now.
Oh, look at me!
That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, they killing motherfuckers right now.
Look at this. My god, that CBD divergence,
bro. It's like right R. Kelly. They killing me out here, man. They killing me, man. Y'all can't do this shit, man. Like, this market is playing no games with shorts, bro. Like shorts, longs, like you're getting toasted if you're longing this. If you're shorting this down at the low, you're gonna get cooked. Period. Point blank. Like, you're gonna get cooked, right? Until the market's ready to move further down, it's just gonna continue to cook liquidity. That's all it's doing, right? So I just choose not to be a part of it. I'm like, whatever, like, do whatever you want. I'm not touching it down here. I already know how this goes. Like, I've blown so many accounts and it's done so much stupid shit that it keeps me away from it. I know what that feeling feels like. So if I'm gonna do anything, it's gonna be long in the market down. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. But I also think that this is where the market could potentially go and make its official downside move. But I don't know.
There's a lot of buying going on down here again. A lot of buying.
We're at the low again.
Oh,
at some point,
it's giving you your candle. This is your candle that you like.
Oh, what's his candle?
That drop candle. And then look at the push.
He's long. That's the one. Yeah, no, I'm not touching anything until this thing decides it wants to get out of this consolidation. Yep. And right now we haven't broken above. We haven't changed character. We're trying to put in a higher low right here on the 15, but on the 15-second rather, but yeah, it doesn't look like this low is going to hold. But it never does, and then it holds. It never does, and then it just zip.
This is looking good for the longs, honestly, potentially.
Till that sweep comes. Yeah. Yo, this market today is on some other shit.
It's still pretty volatile, even for being 11:30.
It's
like
super volatile. Super volatile.
Yeah, this is what I want to see. I don't know if we broke. Dang, not what I want to see there. Nope.
We're holding the low, but we're not putting in new highs. So
yeah,
until we do that, it's just consolidation to go lower until we break the high. Sorry guys, we haven't really been paying attention to chat at all.
I've been keeping up with chat a little bit here and there. No, we're good. Hobbs got the anti-yeet, idiot box yeet here, yeet there.
Yeah, bro. Yeet here, yeet there, bro. They
got the strong boom boom box. I forgot about that. We got this strong boom boom box holding.
Yeah, the boom boom box holding, bro. They're not disrespecting this boom boom box. They trying to cook through it though. Oh, here they come. There's a sweep of the low. There's a sweep of that consolidation. Let's see. I still like
longs here.
I do too. I look at the wedge just coming down.
I'm just looking at the tape. I just want to see like a little bit of aggressive buying. I'll hit this button.
He said,
my finger's itching. Yeah, give me a little bit of aggressive buying. I'll hit this button.
Give me a reason. Yeah, it's definitely not here yet. They trying though.
I can have real minimal risk right here. You just tell me. You just say the word.
But you can have minimal risk or guaranteed loss.
That's a fair point. That's a fair point.
Yeah, I can get minimal risk right here. Yeah, or guaranteed loss with your choice. All of that selling. Look at all the liquidity above us getting moved down.
I know, but we selling so hard right now. We're not going nowhere.
Bro, they just keep digging. I do not like this price action at all.
All right, I'm long. Oh, what a horrible fill. I said I was long, and then like, oh my god, that feels bad. Jesus Christ. Oh, and of course I'm gonna get long at the top. That's all right though. Put myself below
limit orders, bro. Limit orders.
I couldn't have limited ordered that though. I mean, I guess I could have.
You could have. You saw what you wanted to see. You was trying to time it perfectly, but the reality is you could have just limit ordered it at where you thought the bottom was and accepted a 5 or 10 point risk.
Yeah, I'm still only risking 10 points on this.
This way down is so choppy. It's so choppy. Just makes me feel like we're gonna just absorb all this liquidity and go absolutely bananas back up to the other side. Huh? I don't think Valdez was.
Yeah, we'll see if it plays out. We gotta about to snag this liquidity at 275. Yep, snag that liquidity right there. Let's see what we do now. See if we pop up or we keep selling.
What you know about this one?
Yeah, let's see what we might keep selling here. Come on, buyers. Get in gear. Get in gear, buyers.
Bro, this is a horrible fucking chop fest right now. It's 2 days in a row. All the price action comes in Tokyo and London. I got to get my ass a nap or something today. I'm about to be done with New York. Bro, I was sleeping real good. I woke up like, no, I did it again. I woke up and looked at my phone. I said, I didn't miss it again. God. Yeah, London. me again. Got me again. Yeah, this thing, bro. It's looking like it really wants to go up, but it's got to play so many games before it goes up, bro.
Yeah, we're failing to move higher right now. Let's see. We're putting a lower high here. We just broke like that small 1 minute structure, so
I'm about to break this low.
Yeah, I think we are too. Yep, we broke the low. I'm out.
We're about to break the low again, and they ain't gonna go back up. This market, yo, this market is rude, bro.
It's ruthless. I'm back.
I'm so rude. This market is so rude, bro.
I'm back. I'm back in.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see if I can find it. Is it right there? Okay, yeah. Now,
Let me run your stop real fast, and then let me take off.
Let me see if I can find your stop right quick. Is it right here? It's right here. Yeah, right here. Now we'll go back up. Thanks, chump. Jeez, bro. The VIX is at 50 right now, bro. You guys are wilding.
Oh, the VIX is pumping. Jesus Christ,
VIX is fucking pumping. Y'all are wilding. I'm staying out of this shit until
50, yeah.
50 right now. Y'all are wild.
Yeah, it did catch a mean bid right there.
You're gonna be chasing this thing all day. I think it goes up. I just don't trust it while I'm seeing so many other signs. Like I'm getting too many mixed signals on what I want to do here. So in this area, in this range, I just don't want to trade it. I'm just gonna stay out of it, man. The price action yesterday afternoon was way better. This price action is trash. This is the second day in a row we've gotten that really good movement in the morning, and then like chop, just straight chop the whole New York session.
Yeah, it becomes a chop fest.
Mm-hmm. We had an aggressive move in the morning, aggressive move mid-morning, and then chop. So I'll just stay away. I've done my damage, done what I needed to do in the markets.
All right, Nvidia. You just get a pump, Nvidia. You just get a pump and we'll go. We'll send. Oh my God.
This market, yeah. I was just watching the tape, like they so disrespectful. Like they just don't care. They so disrespectful, man. Let me see what the 15-minute is doing. Let me see. Bro, I ain't got real liquidity, bro. Like, what do you want with my money? I'm out here just practicing, bro. Like, I'm just practicing. I don't even want to. Look, I don't even want to be here. I'm just practicing. I'm walking over here. Walking over here. Yeah, how many times we done heard that shit? I was about to say every time we hear that.
We gotta get above 90 for me to feel comfortable. We gotta get above 90. There we go. Okay, now just hold above this 90. Just don't fail right here. Oh my God.
I was about to say this market don't care about your feelings. It don't care about your feelings.
Oh my God. Let me go to break even.
Oh my God. What is that? What?
She's for the streets. She's for the streets.
Yo, what is that? It's like what top? What continuation? What are you talking about? We don't do that.
She's for the streets. She's for the streets. That's what she's for.
Bro, that was.
I want to break even. I'm not taking a loss on this. I think we can go back up to 26. 26 is gonna be my target. If we can just hold above here. Yeah. Oh my God. That was the final push before she's like, yeah, nope, bro, we're not going any higher.
There will be better days.
Oh my
That's
God.
all I'm gonna say is there will be better days. That's
I didn't even realize I was in that
I've
position.
literally just closed everything. I'm like, nope.
Oh, after this trade, I'm closing.
I'm like, nope. I already know. Like, I'm good. Nope. Maybe I'll trade my 3. Nah, I'm good. This is nice.
There it is. Look at that push. Look at that rally base rally right there. Love to see it.
Now you understand. Look, when you first got here, you didn't understand it, but you had to see it for yourself to understand why they used to say that. Now you see it. The market be effing with me, bro. The market be effing with me, bro. When I'm in a trade, you're good. I mean, when I'm in a trade, oh no, it's gonna be good because honestly, like if I was in my live account, I'd be taking way more profits. Like in combines, like I kind of be trying to hold for longer moves. You know what I mean? So in the combines, I don't really be caring, but in my live account, I would not do that.
Let's go. Oh, we are pushing. I was just a little. It's just like it came for my stop. It's so unfortunate. Well, because you got that big ass dump from damn near the top.
We don't gotta ask you. We seen it. We synced it. We don't gotta ask. We synced it.
Just don't fail here. Don't fail at this 1 minute supply zone, please. Don't put in this lower high. Just come up. Just come up.
Facts.
Oh my God! I swear. Just don't fail here. Just don't fail here. There you go.
Boom, boom,
all right, come on, pull up.
He said pull up like he flying a jet.
Pull up. All right, I'm out there. I'm out there.
Say, bro, take your money, bro. Like stop playing with this market, bro.
I'm out there.
Y'all don't believe Fat Meat Greasy when I tell you we in this range, bro. This range.
No. I know we in the range. That's why I long the bottom of it, but we coming back down. I took my 200. I took my profit.
I have no desire to fuck with this range.
Yeah, it's just the moves are so unextended. Like
Yeah, it's just not. It's not worth it.
Boyd said, "Went short. You better close, Jay."
It's short. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like that's how you gotta play that shit. Like you get short, you get long. You get short, you get long.
Why
like,
you flooding my bag, Boyd?
That's the way you do it, bro. You gotta do it.
Yeah, we survived the chop.
Y'all survived it.
Yeah, we survived the chop.
Mark safe.
Yeah, I'm definitely I'm green in all my accounts. I'm definitely mark safe.
Yep.
I was instant gratification trader today, and I'm fine with it. Hey, but to be honest, like if we really go back and look at the price action, unless you got short and just held this, or you got long down here and held this, everything
you just had to play the range. Yeah,
everything else has been chopped. Nah, no. This looking at the tape, this might just drop from here. That was a big buyer that's getting ate up. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Done for the day. Yeah, I'm done for the day too.
Yeah, I've been done, y'all. I'm listening to y'all, but I'm over here surfing the web. I'm doing all type of stuff. I've been done trading. I'm like, I'm not trading this crap. Yeah,
he says
my account will not be. Yeah. I'm out.
No, I'm good on the day. Like I said, I'm green. I'm good. I gave back too much on my funded account today, but I still ended the day green. So it's unfortunate, but it is what it is.
I think ultimately the market wants to go down. She just had to play. She's just been playing games all morning to steal so much liquidity. But I mean, we're also in a huge demand, right? Like we're at the bottom of a macro range. So like I told you guys this morning, the market's ranging on a macro. So it's definitely ranging on a micro, right? So
Yeah,
You just gotta play the range. You gotta adjust to what the market is giving you.
We dug really nicely into this demand zone, though. For me, anyway, because I got a 30-minute. We dug into this demand zone very, very strong. And actually, on ES, we broke through the initial 30-minute demand zone that we had. So it makes sense because ES broke a low, so we're consolidating, and NQ broke a low, so we're consolidating because we broke yesterday's low.
God,
and hold underneath it. So
look at these buyers, bro. I'm watching the tape. These motherfuckers.
Oh yeah, they don't got no chill.
Oh, this buyer, bro.
Nah, yeah, and plus they're failing to get any higher. I mean, no, this is what you want to see though. You want to see big buyers like that come in and not get rewarded. That's what you want to see. We're gonna dump from here. How far? I don't know, but we're gonna come down. We're basically just retesting the change of character.
Just getting tighter, right? Like so to the downside. If this fails and we break through the low at 260. Then that means the range just got smaller, but I just don't. Nope, I don't trust them. I don't trust buyers to let it go, bro. They just can't stop buying. This motherfucker's addicted. Extreme greed. CPI bad, buy it up. PPI bad, buy it up. Don't
that's actually good though. That's good to be bearish because when there's extreme greed and everybody wants to buy, that's when people are gonna start selling. So that's actually kind of positive.
I'm just saying, like. It's hard to start selling, like we're still in the early amount of selling. Like the market hasn't flipped bearish, so the people that are selling and pushing the market down right now, they have enough money to push it down. So it's still going to be difficult for us to trade it because it's a war going on, right? Like they're trying to flip the market into some type of bearish trend on a macro level. So it's taking a lot of selling pressure to do it because I mean they bought forever. So for us, it's annoying. Right, so
yeah, but this is twice now where I don't want to say like this is gonna happen again tomorrow. It's just something to be aware of. Is that like in the morning we buy up the morning, like the morning dip gets ate up, and then they just sell aggressively right after.
Yeah, that's
like,
what Pippi was
like
saying
they get
yesterday.
The highest price.
Remember, Pippi pointed that out yesterday in regards to London and Tokyo. He said, remember, before the time change, London and Tokyo was giving us the low. Right, and we would buy London or Tokyo, and then that would be the low of day. But now London and Tokyo, London's giving us the high, and that's the high of day. Notice how we haven't come back to 418 all day.
Yeah,
London gave us the high, right, and it used to give us the low. So that's giving you a sign that hey, we're starting to sell down. You know,
yeah,
it's just a chop fest on the way down. So your stops have to be larger or you got to get better entries to hold through some of these pullbacks because these pullbacks are massive to the downside. I mean, back to the upside, I should say.
Yeah. No, I agree. CJ,
but ultimately, I think the market wants to come down.
I agree. CJ with the cheese says, yeah, 10 points, 3 contracts, and out, rinse and repeat. Yeah. It's just one of those days. We're pulling in a consolidation station right now, so. Like Cobbs is saying, maybe the afternoon session might bring some goodness. I don't know. I mean, I'm not trading the afternoon session. I got an appointment at 2, and I got to run to Target in a little bit. So I'm very happy with the way I traded today, though. Today was fun. Today was really fun. So
yeah, today was solid. Like I said, I got the gangster shit in and out this morning, and I didn't allow yesterday. Lord have mercy. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Look at these bulls, bro.
We just tapped back into that consolidation where the buying started.
Back into that 50%. We keep pulling back into the 50%. Today's been a nice day structurally. It's just been really hard to trust because the selling's been so strong and the buying's been so strong. So
yeah,
if you followed structure today, it was a really good trading day. If you didn't follow structure, you know.
Yeah, today was a good day. I had oh my god, here they come. I wasn't even looking to trade this, but oh, the tape has been so beautiful today too. Like, oh my god,
you did a lot of studying, you know what I mean? Like you feel more comfortable with the tape. That's what it is.
Oh, it's been so beautiful today. Oh my god, we're getting CBD divergences left and right in key areas. It's nuts. That would have been another good long retesting that consolidation at the low.
No continuation.
Yeah,
right?
the high.
We
Yeah, the
go
highs
up,
just not breaking.
the highs just won't break, right? Every time we come up to the high, we get rejected. We get this aggressive candle to sweep all the stops, right? And then once we sweep the stops, we get all of the people that are late, right? You know, the toilet paper people, as Dave would say, right? You get all the people that are late, right, at the high, and they're trapped liquidity now too. So even if we want to go higher, they can and F those people up or put them in profit because they probably sell on the pullback because they're scared, right? And then next thing you know, we just rip. And the only thing we're doing is just putting in an uptrend. But we're refusing to break the high. We're putting in an uptrend, but we're also trying to put in a downtrend too. So it's a little confusing if you don't trade with any type of structural rules. But once you just look at it and slow it down in your brain, it all makes sense. But to me, it's just too irky jerky, and I don't like it that way. I like it to be a little bit less calm than this. That's why I said I was tempted to go play freaking ES today. I was like, I should go just trade ES today. But
I mean, ES gave a nice move to the down because the crazy thing about ES is like when we were long on NQ, ES was coming down. ES was already dropping. So it was like, dang, man. But yeah, ES just dropped, it rallied, and now it's just dropping. We're just consolidating at this low right here. Like, I definitely liked NQ today. It gave a lot of opportunities to scalp the market. But you really had to put your scalper hat on. Like you really just couldn't overstay your welcome. If you didn't get the high or you didn't get the low, man,
today was
like
not
20, 30 points and you got to get out. Like,
yeah, today was not a trendy day. Today was definitely a day where you needed to be a scalper in and out. I couldn't even take screenshots because I was so quick to get in and out of my trades. I'm like, nah, ain't no time for no screenshots. We gotta focus today, baby. we gotta focus.
Yep. Yeah. Today was definitely an in and out day. I'm not even gonna put my new account at risk.
Oh, you bought another
worth it. No. I got one resetted. Yeah. Good day to watch him work. Take notes. Yeah, bravo. But take notes, people. Take them notes. We follow our profits and price, and that's on Rice. Who's
that's
okay, never mind. Yeah. I was like, wait, who's your profit? But
I don't really understand the saying because I feel like putting that on Rice, nobody puts anything on Rice, but I get it that it rhymes.
I think that's
like I get it that it rhymes. Does it make sense? That's on Rice. I don't know. I mean, a lot of things taste good on rice. Salmon tastes good on rice.
You could say
tastes good on rice.
You could say we follow profits. Huh?
Put everything on rice. Okay.
But what about put it on ice? Like we got profits and price, and we're cool as ice. Hey,
Justin, you should never ever become a rapper. Like just stay light skinned, bro. Like. Stay. Yeah.
Come on, man. What? Why was that? Why was it? So on rice was cool, but put it on ice was
such a loser.
And we cool as ice.
Hey. Yeah. Once he added in his little ad lib, it was like, yeah, no, I'm good. I definitely don't like it. Like, nah, you said.
Oh, hey. Okay. But the shirt though, we bullish, right? Like we on our bullish. That's still cool, right? Though, like I still get points for that, right? Like bro. Yeah.
I'm just glad you can trade, bro. Because this whole being cool shit, it ain't for you.
What do you mean? That was a
I'm glad you can read the tape, bro. I'm glad you can read the tape because that
was a dope shirt.
This whole being cool shit, it ain't for you, bro.
Man, okay. Well, when that shirt sells out and y'all some haters, I just want to
market it is on demon time. Oh my god!
Also, another shirt that I've been saying: the market's on demon time.
Oh my god!
Market's on demon time. Let's go. Yeah, we just ran the low. We just ran the low again. Yeah, we ran that low again, bro.
The market said, "Give me that." What you thought when you was going up? You thought it was going down? Give me that.
Yeah. We tapped right back in that consolidation.
I'm pretty sure that was a liquidity steal.
Yeah.
They stole all the liquidity from the freaking sellers right there.
Yep. And we had another whatchamacall there too.
And look, we're coming right back down. Look.
Mm-hmm.
stealing from everybody.
We're in a falling wedge pattern right now, actually.
Yeah, we're coming down perfectly, but where we're going, I don't know.
Yeah, we're in a falling wedge.
This is some ugly stuff here, man. Ugly.
Jesus and Muhammad, we got too many prophets. He must be selling. He rapping. I ain't selling nothing,
bro.
Hey.
Look at the candle structure on the 5 minute. This shit looks ugly as hell.
Probably haven't gone. Yeah, we ain't going no.
Oh my
it almost. I would say that if we would have dug down deeper, this could have been a nice actually inverse head or regular head and shoulders, but we stopped like right at the neckline and like we just have not gotten. We just aren't getting nothing.
There's no continuation in either direction. I don't know where this market wants to go. It's 10:52
ladies and gentlemen, I'm that's ready to get wrap. Yeah, we can call it early today.
I mean, it's right on time. We 8 minutes from where we normally go. 79 people in the building. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. That's gonna be it for the day. Looks like we're in a falling wedge. I'll leave you with that. Looks like we could be going back to the upside. Just be very, very careful because the market is on demon time, aka it's looking for suckers. Don't be a sucker in this market. Get your money and get out. You don't have to sit here all day. But that guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T. Hobbs. It's been a great show. You guys take it easy, and we'll see you tomorrow, man. Peace.